Hi!
Welcome.
Hi
everyone.
How are you people?
Hi, Today. Hi.
Today. Hello!
So,
Welcome to our mukbang, Char.
yes,
Ikaw,
so welcome to our third
Third
episode
episode.
of Lit Chat Lounge.
Yes, and we have a guest.
Yay!
He's also a reader and a
Welcome,
writer
Pars.
secretly.
Sometimes.
Secretly,
sometimes.
because nanay plan but wala palang i-execute. The outline is there.
Amy, what happens in Vegas?
So, naami karon sa Chali.
Okay, yeah.
Kung makabantay mo sa among background, yung mga payong o mga unsa, no? Wala lang
Yeah.
na mo punteriya sa pool.
Very nice. Newly
Basta na maligoon niya, ma-reveal ang mga unsa.
ongoing renovation.
Ang mga
So,
buds.
very nice ng
Yes.
Chali, guys. Sige, so
For this episode,
We were
Mga
supposed to
readers.
talk about something else for episode 3, pero we decided to kanang stick to something like this where we can recommend books
Yeah.
na very impactful sa amuang lives.
Yeah, because diba, we have to walk the talk, right? Like we talk a lot about loving reading and reading as a lifestyle, but unsa man gyud ang mga books nga inspire sa atoa or naka-influence sa atoa or naka-change sa ato
Hala,
ang
ang mic ni Carl.
viewpoints.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay,
then.
that's
Okay na
fine,
na
that's
siya.
fine.
Oh.
I-edit ka na.
Kabasin ma-muffled ang sound. Okay na na siya.
Okay, sige.
You're connected.
So, okay, but before we go to our book, what do you call that? Book influences or book recommendations, we're gonna have some shout outs or kanang to our commenters, to our viewers. Yeah.
Ang first lang sa kung former student,
Ooh.
si Von.
Hi,
Si
Von.
Hey, Von.
Si Von, kailan mo siguro ka, Carl?
Yes.
Oo. So,
Katrabaho sa just a fully booked.
At USTP?
yes,
Oh.
Yeah.
former siyang student
Employee.
ano sa TCM. Tapos nagtrabaho siya before sa fully booked. Nagkuan man ko na ngayo man ko og permission sa iyahang
Yeah.
i-read na
Hala.
to kay gusto na to i-feature
Pwede
unsa iyahang natun-an daw atong mga niaging episodes. So ana siya, "Sir, I watched your pilot episode and I would like to say
Thank you.
nga na-inspire
Yeah,
ko to
thank you
read
so
more."
much.
I've been buying books sa fully booked but I haven't read them all pa. And I agree sa imong isa ka friend nga guy. Sir, about how hard ma-appreciate ang imong own works sa poetry because I myself experienced na mediocre akong pieces. This is siguro, no?
Ooh, no
in my
mediocre
point,
sa art.
in my point of view, na siya open and close parentheses.
Okay.
And I'm having a hard time with punctuation marks and sometimes sa akong grammar even though I have bought Mary Oliver's A Poetry Handbook. So there are
that was a
times,
good
yes, good. Nindot
In fairness sa
kayo.
iya kay kanang he's on a good start, no? Especially
Yes,
nga
yes.
he was
Mary
able
Oliver.
to pick the kanang staple gid ba?
Ba?
Mary Oliver dahil.
Bongga siya. Kita kay karon pa ako natabuan si Mary Oliver.
Actually, oh.
So there are times I think twice, am I doing it right? Is this correct? Also, I want to share nga, I agree with J.K. Rowling's words. Nga, if you don't like to read, you haven't found the right book. Okay, the first book I read that got me to reading is Percy Jackson and the Olympians. So The Lightning Thief.
Fiordian? No?
Kay, I am really fascinated with mythology. That was during college. One instructor whom I forgot. Kinsa ba? Basin ikaw to ka? Basin ako to? Sa bakahan?
Ito sa
cheap
inyo
na ko na siya sa initial literature.
Ba? Basin ako to?
Most probably.
Kay nagkuhan na ba ko og kanang creative writing, nagtudlo ko sa ila. Gave us a project to read a book and report it to class. Anyways, kudos sa inyo, sir, on inspiring the younger generation to get to reading. Hope ma-upload pa mo more videos.
Yeah, so your wish is our command. So this is the third.
Actually,
EP.
artist na siya.
Ooh,
Yeah,
Bon.
artist siya.
Paint siya.
Wow.
Abstract ang iyang kwan.
Nice. Thank you for your comments,
Thank you,
Von.
Von. Thank you.
Thank you, Von.
Yeah, thank you, Gyapo.
Oh, no.
You're gonna be a regular. Okay, so ako, Georgette. Hi, Georgette.
Hi,
So,
Georgette.
Jep is really like an avid listener sa Atoa. In fact, ang iyang comment for the second EP or the episode, yung second was listening to episode 2 while driving.
Ah, bongga.
Tak! So, nga na siya kadali. I hope, road safety gyapon. Attention sa road. Joke lang. Pero, siya, she was commenting on, di ba, we had a discussion about language. and the accessibility of some books and how some are really not reaching the right readers kay because of the lofty
language.
phrasing or the language. So ana siya nga language and accessibility mao di ay na ang term. So ga-resonate gyapon sa iya na nga maybe some
Wow.
books dili kayo niya masabtan because of the very elitist nga language. And then nag-search pud ko Google kanang books for beginners. So nagpalit kog isa, naglisod kog sabot. Ha ha ha.
Which one?
So that was her comment. Wala na siya nag-specify unsa. So maybe our viewers are just sharing ba nga they agree with what we were saying nga okay, some books na yung mga uban books nga we buy them expecting that maganahan ta or masabtan nato but only to find out nga naagi day certain books pod nga lisod pa tong karon. Maybe dili pa karon but with more readings mas sabtan and ma-appreciate. And then naapod sa makainggan niyo na kung basa ka na sa title. So tip pod ni siya for like those of us na aspiring to be
Want to write,
writers. We really have to choose the
Work on
right
your title.
titles to be read.
Pero in fairness to Georgette for making the effort nga mag-start og buy og books to start reading, no?
Actually, read na gid na siya before, pero with a busy niya nga lifestyle with work. Siya man to akong gi-mention katong sa second episode na iyahang kid, iya kong kapalitan. And gina-monitor gid niya ang gadget time. So, good job, Mommy Jet, for that.
Getting a book is only half of the work.
Yeah,
the rest is the reading.
And the understanding, and the appreciating, and the rereading again, because you're gonna rediscover more as you read and you enter different phases of your life.
Yes.
I mean,
Correct.
yeah,
you will have different understandings of the work in every
Work na siya
rereading,
levels.
oo.
right. And then napagi siya last comment. Na-inspire pud ko Amy adtong imong giingon nga doing the difficult.
Wow.
Di ba, Murag, we were talking about like documentaries versus books and I was saying, okay, kay entertaining man si documentary, dito ta sa books kay mas lisod and then mas gratifying. So, thank you, Jet, for your comments.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope di madunggan ako mga slurp o mga... Wala.
That's,
They love that.
that's
Okay, Rana,
fine.
siya.
Okay, edit na lang din ah.
That's fine.
Okay, Rana.
Kay sa Muratag robots,
Lagi,
nga, wala
lagi,
gid
lagi.
tay mga human sounds.
Ba? Okay, so we're done with the ato mga shoutouts. Salamat kayo. Sana mo daghan pa ni
Okay,
silang
pak. Diretso na kita sa difficult. Oh my God. From doing the difficult to
Another
what book got you through a difficult time in your life?
Ah.
So, sige. Paunahon na to si guest
Ay, ay,
speaker.
isa, kamusta?
Una si
Let's follow the
Amy.
sequence, please.
Ako, okay,
You
ako
are the
gid ay.
first.
You are the first on.
Alam, anong difficult? Abi kong childhood ang so good.
I
sige,
think pwede
sige.
rin na siya ni mo ma-insert.
Oh, if you had a
Okay.
difficult time during your childhood,
Hoy,
maybe-
buyag. Katong sa 20s ko, I think siya ang ako one of the first few brushes with creative nonfiction. Eat, Pray, Love ni Elizabeth Gilbert. Kinag-journey to siya after a huge heartbreak. And then, nag-find siya sa iyang self through travel and food and meeting other people. And then, the 3 countries nga iyang gi-visit, nag-start sa letter I. So, Italy, India, and Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh. So ni connect din siya sa I, the I. Really like loving the self first because how can you love other people if you don't fill your own cup first? So siya ang one of those books nga pivotal na got me through a difficult time in my life. Grabe, no? We started with the difficult. So grabe. Heavy. Heavy like our food. Okay.
Before ka mo hungit sa calamari. Char.
Reflect
Di,
on
anak,
that.
narabagad ko.
You
Ako
interrupted.
nagiging ko.
You interrupted the gastronomical pleasure.
Medyo heavy kay kanang murag heavy loaded kay ang question ba
Sorry.
kay mura siya og kanang overly dramatic kaayo siya kay
Yeah.
difficult time in your life. Murag
Yeah,
matod
pag start na sa
nagsugakod gyud ka og
start na sa dramatic, unya na rin light na din light-hearted.
siguro kuan
What's that?
a difficult time in my life. May di ko kaingon nga difficult, no? Pero
So wala ka
siguro
ka-experience of heartbreak, loss, grief?
naaman pero kanina lang siguro akong ang ma-recommend dili sa tawag
Ang sama
This is a
We have
book
a
by David Levithan. It's called Boy Meets Boy.
Ooh, why is it why is that associated with something difficult in your life?
Kay
Or
siguro
like,
kanang this was my first parang encounter of an LGBT book.
Ooh.
Kini siya
Sabi
unya.
na din.
Tuod na.
What's
Yeah,
the
totoo na
year
siya.
na siya na-publish?
Okay, wait, so ba ni siya ba yan? This was published in 2003
Oh.
or 2003
While you're
pa.
ano there, I'm gonna get some calamari.
Unya, kuan siya kanang
Guys, salad. Sandwich. Go.
Mukbang. This is also a
Sorry,
mukbang.
ante. Sige, padayon ante.
unya mo to kay kanang sana siya kana bitawng growing up ba nga na sa tawag gani kanang ang access to books like this was difficult. Kay very limited pa ang options, very limited.
So where were
ang-
you? Haman na mo na buy?
Kuan na ni siya, actually sa fully book na siya nako na buy, pero
Not in Cagayan, in Manila. Kay Dugay naman na.
So marag Cebu,
O Cebu.
if I'm not mistaken. Oo. Pero I read a different copy. Kani siya mo buy na lang nako for myself.
Oh, nakaborrow ka.
Di ba publish siya in 2003 pero nabasa na ko ni siya I think sometime in 2008 na. Mga inaan na. So di ba murag dugay ba kay ay pa ka maka-discover og mga book titles.
Pero may gani ka 2008. Ako nabasa na ko 2014.
Mm.
2014.
Ako wala pa ako
Little
kabasaan
later.
na.
So yun, kay syempre 'di ba LGBT, so paano guni siya murag kanang geared towards teenagers. Murag paan siya ba kanang sana young adult, so medyo na
So
mga
easy ra,
struggle.
is it an easy read in terms of the
yes.
language?
Very, very.
Yeah, cause Eat, Pray, Love was also very easy. Like it's like very intimate, personal. Ano.
David Levitan is actually very good in capturing the voice of teenagers.
Oh.
Kaya kayo siya books, particularly on kanang young adult challenges, mga issues, crisis, especially in sexuality.
I've read somewhere nga kuan siya tanghal gid.
Gitanghal.
Gitagaan siya title nga The Master of Voices.
Ooh.
Kay even women, old women, iyang makuha ang mga voices.
I would want that.
Well
kind of
researched
skill.
kayo iyang mga kuan, yung mga writing.
So yeah,
Sige.
boy meets boy.
Thank you for
Okay.
that. What about you, Alj? I mean, Arvs.
Kuan, nagada nimo gyud pinakadako nga
Uy,
libro.
what is that?
Kay daghan man kay kog difficult times akong life.
Yeah.
Mahilig ako kog difficult.
You attract the difficult.
Yes, I attract the difficult.
Such as...
Kung nagani kay wako nabigtian. Ay,
What do you mean the big
nabigtian og buot.
Ay, okay. Ay.
Okay, daghan ba kita
Nasiraan
mga-
ng ano,
oo.
bayan.
Pero
Nasiraan ng bayan.
siguro one of the significant challenges siguro nako nga naagian is the transition from being here in Cagayan then mo transfer po to Oroqueta. So
Yeah.
murag nabi ako kanang kuan.
Was that the first time nga na-away ka from your home
Yes.
city?
Oo.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes, kay kuan. Narinig ko separation anxiety na
Sa
dayon ko.
punks.
Really?
Oo. Kay, mo lagi na, no, when I was still in college, gusto gid kay ko magpalayo man. Gusto kay ko muskwela sa MSU IIT, pero wala ko
Di ka
gitugtan
tugtan.
sa akong parents. So, siguro, tungod kay nara ko din sa Cagayan,
Okay.
Naanad na ka dire.
naanad ko din din. Karon, of course,
comfort
medyo
zone.
ko na, nahimo na ako siya comfort zone, exactly. So, kato na yun, pag separate na rin ako, murag, kailangan gid ko mulayo. Murag na.
Okay, so sige.
So, A Tale for the Time Being by Ruth Ozeki. So, kanimang good na
brief,
story. Nanong ganahan kay ko ani because it's an intertwining of two stories from a past character and the present character nga si Ruth. Si Ruth is a writer looking for inspiration on what to write. Tapos na-come across niya ang diary nga nakuan siya na wash away sa ocean from Japan katong tsunami 2011. So naka-pick up siya sa diary, iyang na-read ang life ni Now. Now N-A-O, but it sounds now as in the time being.
The now, the present.
The present. So, unsa may ganahan kinakuan ni because kuan siya, it reassures me nga whatever happens today ra na siya. Wala na din na siya pagkakuan. So, whatever decisions that we make, it will pass. So that's why you also have to be careful with your decisions, but you also need not to be anxious of the future kay
Okay.
pag moabot na siya, then it will just pass. Kay
Thank
time
you.
being raman ang tanan.
Sorry, thank you for the reminder na dili mag-angsya-angsya.
Yes.
Yeah, dili mag-anxiety.
Unsa?
Dili mag-angsya-angsya. Di ba sometimes mga good, ako, actually bitaw, bago sa ako na reflect on nga, kung kuan kita, kung conscious ra kita or obsessed with the future, with divining the future, we are actually like playing God. Diba? Tapos we have to be reminded of our humanity or humanness. Nga just live in the moment, live in the now. And that is also the message of Rilke, right? The book, na live the questions for now. Because sometimes dili ka kahatag ang answer sa imuha now because you wouldn't be able to live them. Di mo makaya kung karon ihatag ang answer. So, medyo
Yes.
siya na align ta diha nga part.
Yes, munang ganahan kay ko sa iya kay while padulong ako dito, murag okay din na kay ko dapat mag-worry kay kani siya pag transition ako dito it will pass.
And it did pass.
Yes.
And you
Before the
came
pandemic,
home.
yes.
And you came home. And you're now
O
in
siguro
this...
gi-manifest na ko siya nga.
Right.
Siguro Lord, last na din ako nga sakay sa barko.
Sa barge.
Sa barge. So mo na nito, last na gid ito
Wow,
siya.
nice,
Char.
nice, nice. Love that.
Okay, si Carl.
Yeah.
Carl.
So pwede na ganito mag-insurance. Kaya di mo worry in the future.
No. Okay, disclaimer. Okay, I have to tackle that. Okay. So, may mga things nga that are within our control and there are things that are beyond our control. So, for those things that are within our control, oh my God. So, we plan. Pero for those nga we cannot na, leave it to the future. The future belongs to the future.
Okay.
Did I answer that? Yes, Speaker of the House? Okay, go. Sige, we're excited to hear about your... And what's the
Yes.
difficult time? Chismis. What was the difficult
May
time
hapon sa
niya?
tanan.
May hapon sa tanan.
Thank you na pag
Dili na siya ay anak ka formal, guys. Shara na siya ay too.
Okay, I would like to show you this book. It's called To Kill a Mockingbird. Kabalo man mo ano, diba?
Harper Lee.
Yeah, we love that.
Yeah, I wouldn't say na
Si Calpurnia.
I read this when I'm going through a tough time or every time I go through a tough time kay di mo gud ko gabasa when life is hard.
What do you do when life is hard?
I read. No, I write.
Ay, right
Ah,
na.
so you should
I
have
should
shown
go
up.
through a hard time for me to produce something. Yan na siya.
So, Carl, dili ka ga kay kami manggod, kay kanang sa CNF writing or what, di ba nakadiscuss ta nga. Kailangan ta og what do you call that?
Stimulus.
Emotional distance. We need emotional distance daw to write. Kay when you're living in that difficulty or struggle,
You're biased?
lisod pud mo right because ang perspective nimo is in that moment lang.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm digressing. So sige, let's allow him to continue. Sorry.
Yeah,
Go.
So, dili magi ko gabasa no, but I have a way to answer that question.
Sige.
So, kanisha, I read this book in 2009 kay na-delay akong flight and I got bored sa airport. I started looking around and then I stumbled upon a bookstore. Ito. So, nagpalit ko ani.
So,
Kill a
mga
Mockingbird.
siyang book.
This is not it. Kaya nga no, I probably dugay kay akong flight at mga 7 hours man yata siya na-delay. So, I almost ako nahuman ng book.
Pero familiar na kadaan unsa na about
No. But I knew the title.
nga chada siya or classic siya.
Kabalo
Ana.
lang ko sa title, but nakita na ko siya and then I said, okay, sige, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
give it a
get
shot.
the book.
Yeah. And then I was so impressed. Pagbasa pa lang ako saya. But the very first thing that I asked myself katong pagpalit na ko, okay, why is it called To Kill a Mockingbird? And then, so ako bitong gigamit kay, gi-ask ko ang question una and then gi-answer na ko siya
So,
through the
Na
passages.
interested ka sa title.
No, kabalo ko daan sa iyang title.
But the Mockingbird.
Okay.
Anong Mockingbird?
Ang hitabo is, dito na din ako i-question nga, why is it To Kill a Mockingbird before I started reading? Naana sa ako ang book, ay pwede ako siya i-question. Pero kani siya, I wouldn't say that this is the book that I would read if I'm going through a tough time. Ang kuwan ako is, this is the book that I would read if kanabit ang suko ko. If I'm angry, kay kabalo ka.
Which is still a difficult time.
No, dili man. I wouldn't say it's a difficult time because it doesn't last. Ang anger na ko. Kada bitang
It's
kung masuko mo good ko. Parihara gini akong reaction tanan. I get so aggressive, na bitaw. And si Atticus mo good, which is one of the characters here.
Si
he is
Atticus Finch.
somehow the standard para sa ako bitaw na. Okay, this is how I
The
should
calm
be.
oasis.
Na bitaw. So
The
every
voice
time,
of reason.
Yeah, every time I get angry, I just try to remember.
Like, what would Atticus Finch
Yes,
do?
exactly. Oh, so what would he do? How would he react to it? If I were Scout or Gem,
that's
how
nice.
what would he tell me? Right, bitaw. So kani akong gamiton nga book. Like, I
So
would
this
always
is a book, murag Bible nimo siya for the challenging moments.
say Bible.
Mura siya, imo siya
God,
ka
don't just strike
sorry,
me.
sorry. Nili, I didn't say the B nga Bible, nga big B,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
you know,
something- yeah,
sort
something
of
like that.
reference book.
A reference book, a guide to like how I should behave every time I'm angry. And ano siya, so
Which is very good. No, kay we really do get angry. That's
so one of the reason nga nung nibasa ko sa iya again, just recently lang, like probably
I should do
a
that,
few months
no?
ago. So
you read this?
I haven't.
I have
You
read
should.
that years ago, but I forgetful ba kay po.
gibasa na ko niya siya mga 2009,
How many times have you read?
twice.
Twice, me too.
Pero kung ano mo siya, like katuloy ito itong imong gingon ka ganina, like every time you read,
Yeah,
as
that
you grow
means
up,
something.
murag na siya, mas grabe na siya.
Katong when we, di ba, nag-MA ta, no? After nag-MA Lit, I read that again. Graghan na kay kong nakita.
Yeah.
And then the book, remember the Cagayan de Oro book club?
Yeah.
We had that group. Actually, hindi na lang ko mag-check. But one of the first nga, or the only book nga we read as a group was that book. Yeah.
Mass reading lugar mo.
Yeah, actually. And then, nawala na dayon to kamar the pandemic happened, ana. But that was the only book nga nanggawas sa dito. Like, they were like asking for my insights, ana. Then, daghan kay kong nakita, which is really,
Shout out
really
to
good.
our college professor in
Who?
college.
Kim
She was the one who recommended this book. Si Dr. Yandog.
Ma'am Arlene, shout out! We love
Okay.
you. Can you guess?
Di na siya kaila sa ako for sure, but I distinctly remember.
Ma'am Arlene,
Yeah,
do
honey
you
recommendation.
remember Carl?
Yeah, siya kaila sa ako.
He also loves your poetry.
Actually, crush kaya ako na siya sa una.
crush ka niya, Ma'am Arlene.
Siya, di ba? Like,
Ganahan
when we
si
were in
Carl og
college,
mga kalma, no?
kay-
Kalma si
ubalan
Ate
siya sa
Cos,
ako.
kalma si Ma'am Arlene, crush niya.
Pero, yeah, inana siya. This is,
Wow,
grabe na siya impact
that's
sa ako ng
nice,
book,
that's
yeah.
nice. Okay.
I
I
have
also
to
have-
reread that. Kay,
I also
I
have
think the last time I read that, 2008 pa, 2007, mga anak.
Nag-masters na ka, wala pa.
College pa ko.
College.
Okay, so
Third
you have
year
to
pa ko,
read
ano,
Graduate na
it.
Graduate
Si
na.
Boo
Wala pa.
Radley.
Si
Boo Radley, yeah.
Yes.
Tagal
And,
mo siya
uh,
ka ng kuan moments ba? Kanang
Yeah,
human
I
bitaw
love
ka
that.
ng moments.
I was supposed to
So,
bring my copy of that. Pero daghan na kay
right.
ko gidala nga books. Kapuyan ako. So, sige.
Sige, karon, what is that one book? Kaning wala na to na mention din, on top of your head or your memory na you can easily recommend. And why would you recommend it and to whom would you recommend this book? So maybe we can start with Alj this time.
Oh.
Kaya human na nakag-usap.
tunla sa nang-
Ay, hello, sorry.
Wow, that's a huge...
Every time ganyan siya matunan ba kay either gatulon siya
Uy.
or sorry na, sorry na. Sige, go.
Wholesome ta diri, guys. Okay.
Kani ako nakita sa ako ang from the Library of Aljan Laid.
Yeah, yes. Thank you for that, Arms. For our...
Ay, kuan ka ng, well, it's December, it's Christmassy ang season. So, I got this book. It's called Unholy Night by
Holy Night din.
Seth,
Ang music di ba Holy
Holy
Night?
Night, right? Why would you
by
recommend this?
Seth Graham Smith. Kay kuan siya, actually, this is a retelling of the Nativity story. Pero focused on the three kings.
Okay.
And in this version, the three kings are kanang murderers, thieves,
Ooh, I love
mga
that.
makakasalanan. So they fled the whatever the place, and then they stumbled upon the
Manger.
manger where Mary was
Ano sa
delivering,
reaction nila
I love
laboring.
Ano sa may reaction nila sa manger? Ano sa may reaction nila?
I don't
It's
totally
like a
remember kung ano siya.
retelling of,
Retelling
di ba
siya
the
of
three
them.
kings manggod? Di ba sige sagot to sila?
Gaspar,
Balthazar and,
Melchor.
oh yeah.
Mm.
So pag three kings manggod and then they're bearing gifts, murag sort of holy men. Perfect. Murag ana, nga kaya sila magid ang privilege to witness the birth. Pero diha sa retelling diha is they are not perfect.
They are not perfect.
Wise men man to sila.
The wise men.
Dili ato sila
So
kings dude.
yeah,
wise
true. Oh. So something like that, no more elevated.
So in that story, unwise sila.
Unwise.
Unwise. And it asks us to maybe
Sinners.
revisit our prejudices and judgment.
So what I like about this book
So
is...
do you recommend that kay Christmas karon?
Yes, mo ako nakita sa bookshelf. Oh, okay, sige, let's recommend this. And it also kanang 'di ba, this is very modern day, so kanang fast-paced action. Ano?
So, ano man, easily recommend. So, is it an easy read?
Yes,
Also?
definitely.
Easy
Plot?
read, eh?
Yes.
Kay murag feeling na ako kay we can recommend especially to those who are non-readers pa.
Okay.
Or inaana. Pwede po na matake inaana ang question.
Yes, yes.
I
But if,
easily recommend man.
pero if natay ka ng dili po easy read, maybe we can also recommend
Yeah,
that to
kay
those
what
na
if
mga
ano na yun kay ka
advanced
into
readers
the
na.
yeah. We will not judge you.
Judgmental.
Sige,
Okay.
ako
Sige, go.
kuan gyud. So for the kanang bago ko yung nag-read kani.
Ay.
The Little Prince.
Anton
And
de
then,
Saint-Exupéry.
ikaw na lang mag-ano, kay
Yes,
the
yes.
copy magudak of The Alchemist, kay Gibaro, wala na gibalik. So,
Oh.
so iya na to. Gift na to nako sa iya ha. Pero kani siya, ganahan jud kay ko ani kay mura bitaw o kato bitawng when we grow up, kanang we stop being children. Mura ing ana kanang too concerned with matters of great
Correct.
significance. Na adire no katong mga tao sa planets.
Mm.
Fable siya or ing ana but very philosophical.
Ang iyang message ba nga kanang when you grow up, you forgot to be as imaginative as children.
Yeah, and that is like it resonates.
Ito
with-
sa house, no?
Yeah, and the ano
Balay,
kani
expensive.
ano
Kani pa lang,
pa lang daan na
Boa
a boa
constrictor.
constrictor swallowing an elephant. Yeah, the adults would see it as a hat.
Mm-mm.
What's so scary about that? So as ano because we become so engrossed now with practical
The
matters.
adult life, the adulting.
Oh, wala na ang magic, wala na ang appreciation for the
Mundane na.
little. True. So this is a good reminder, a good kanya naman napo siya illustrations.
Mm.
So if you're not into heavily text-based. And then the alchemist is kwatong pursuing your dreams. Kaya ana man dito nga kanang
If
for
you want
some,
something,
yeah, all the universe inspires. Ug katupong bitong nakaya bitong mga careers nga naka sa murag crossroads sa imuhang career and then mas mupili ka sa career nga mas makaingon ang mga tao nga tsada lagi na iyang career. Or like kanang when you go to the sciences or to the kuan tapos pag arts gani ginaingon nga ano dito man ka sa arts wala may money
Wala
diha.
kwarta diya.
Yeah. So, ing ana ang The Alchemist ba nga naatay tagsa-tagsa nga calling, it's not really about what is the best profession or career per se, but what really is kanang gihatag ni God nga skills sa imuha nga dapat mo na imong gift to the world. And that should be your calling and that should be your
O ba nagkatong
career.
naara day ang treasure
Yeah, and
sa
the
oil?
treasure was nara sa iya
Nara sa
ha.
iya, ha?
Pero nga do kuno siyang gipa-travel
So
for
make
you
an
to
experience,
and to see the world and see all the imperfections and all the challenges along the way. Tapos katong napugtoy sa ka do you remember katong the oil in the spoon? The secret to happiness?
Oh.
Kay ano do ko no? When you like di ba na kay spoon tapos na oil. Tapos if you're careful not to spill it, dili na ka makakita sa beauty sa world. Pero ang secret daw sa happiness is a balance between seeing all the beauty and then careful not to spill the oil sa spoon. Meaning, you take care of your responsibilities, you still take care of what's practical, but don't forget to see the beauty.
Yes.
So that's a good, parang for me, it's an easy recommendation for those who want to get started with reading.
Okay,
Sige, Arms.
So ako, on top of my head,
Wala ni mo gidala.
wala na akong gihulman man gud siya.
Right.
Wala
So
na
at
nabalik,
least-
nakalimot na yung sinagulam.
Red flag na yun.
Yeah. Nalimot na sa gukit sinagulan.
By Neil Gaiman, The Ocean at the End of the Lane. So, karon ko na siya, medyo gihimuan na siya o kanang
Musical.
no? Gihimuan na siya musical. But what I like about the book, it's because
You wanna
of
send
its psychological depth niya. Ang language magud ni Gaiman kay simple, lyrical, pero in fact katong di ba one time nakaingon ka nga murag too simple ra kayo yung language, murag dili kayo ka-challenge ang imong kana bitong
Sorry, oh my God, did I say that? Ay, ko vulgar ba? Uy,
Sorry for throwing you off the bus. Under the bus.
Sorry.
Charing. Bitaw eh. Kanang kuan, unsa tawag ani? Kanang it's an easy read for those who would like to start reading. Kay ang characters po niya kay it's a middle-aged man tapos murag nag-flashback lang siya sa iyang childhood. Pero actually ang content gid niya, ang theme niya is around kuan childhood trauma. Confronting it Ay ginana ba? So nganong gitawag daw siya nga ocean, nga lake ramang gyud daw ang naadad to because it resembles or it symbolizes our mind because a pond wala ta kabalon sina underneath. Mura daw siya ocean kadako o kalawom. Ang ato dong subconscious mind yung nana pod, gamay lang siya tan-awon kay nara siya sa tong ulo physically, pero when we go deeper into our thoughts, dagan day kay tag dapat
Yeah. Pwede pa ang expansion.
Yes,
Expansion of the
ano
consciousness.
So, kung children, di po ko ma-recommend sa children, pero mga teenagers siguro makabasa ato. Pero I would suggest that if they grow up, na read it again, tapos dagan na kayo sila makita, so this is what it means.
Oh.
Na siya. Okay.
Thank you. Sige.
Yes, Carl.
Iubo dayon siya.
Actually,
Kasi
guys.
nagdala na siya, guys.
Nagdala.
Andam kayo na siya, guys.
Hardbound.
Dili, I thought man good nga, I can easily recommend.
Yeah, what is that?
So, kung sa start sa
Easily,
read,
Easily.
There's
easy
the word.
read.
There's the word.
So, kato, I'm gonna recommend the same book.
Oh,
Because
good,
gani
good,
man good
good.
siya.
I
Iya mo
agree.
kung point
I
of view.
agree.
Ang point of view niya kay kang scout, di ba?
Yes,
She
si
was
Scout.
so young when she sort of narrated the events. So simple kaya ang language ani. And you can easily understand. But simple ang language pero heavy kayo ang
The
themes.
theme.
Grabe ang themes. So muna siya, pareha ni sa imong book din na you can read it now, but you have to read it again probably a few years after. Kaya mas masabtan mo siya and siguro deeper na yung mga understanding. Mas ma-appreciate po yung mga characters.
Nanay layers ba?
Yes. Pero ako yung gusto i-recommend.
Sige, go.
Akong gusto i-recommend is this one. Crime and Punishment ni Dostoevsky. Because dili man
How's
sa
the language?
dili man siya lisod
Ah,
kayo.
okay.
Because translation na biyan ni.
Who's
Kay
who
Russian
translated
siya.
this?
Pero ang iyang magong theme bitaw ani. Ang iha bitaw kanang si Dostoevsky magod the way he kind of bitaw brings life to a character. Wapo kayo.
Ang characterization.
So para sa ako, just do not appreciate lang good ang kanang bitong plot kaya I think a lot of people just read for the plot line. Pero kanang bitong i-appreciate po ninyo how the characters are developed over time in the book. Ina bitaw. Kay di ba ang uban kay app kung
Yeah,
bitaw ang sana
events, kung ano ra kayo.
Reading for sport.
Yeah, inana lang siya din. Basa lang sa plotline. But si Kuan, ma-appreciate mo yung plot kay maayo gid siya masulat. At the same time, ang iyang pong way of presenting the characters like kabitaw he makes you think that he was writing about you. Kaya na ba? So, siguro dark lang yun kay ko, no?
Yeah. Pero unsa man ang if you can like share to us one insight na nakuha nimo sa Crime and Punishment. A
Kuan.
statement about the human experience or the human condition.
Wait.
Okay, naatay book report.
Grabe kaayo ni ba?
I'm just challenging, I'm just toying with you. You can just say, read it for yourself, Amy.
No, naakoy gusto i-share with Ani.
Like, unsay mo makuha nga, why would we want to, why would the people want to read it?
Yes. I would also like to emphasize, no, sakto tong gingon ni Carl kay most of us, no, not really most of us, but there are some readers nga paspas kasi sila mobasa.
Then, ano ra kay
Reading
plot?
for sport,
Yeah.
plot-driven kayo, pero malimtan na to ang
For the
characters.
purpose lang of
development.
kanang bitong getting to know what happened.
Yeah.
Ano.
Yeah.
Kabalo ba mo nga kanang in literature or for the literary works with katong lagi literary merit, dili kaayo into plot.
Yes.
Dili ka into plot.
Puro
Sometimes
subtle
kay
ba?
ano na ang plot, kay nang secondary na siya to the character, to the setting, to the ana.
Kaya ang nature man good sa novel, more on the psyche of the
Yeah,
character.
stream of consciousness, the ano what goes on inside.
Pero kani man good siya kay he thought man good na kabitang he was special.
Special.
He thought he was special. He thought that kabitang he was above everybody else. In intellect, emotionally, psychologically. And
Very elite.
Ipatay mo gud siya. Ipatay siya og tao. But not because he was poor. It was only one of the factors nga nakapush siya to kill somebody. But ang yagid is he wanted to be kind of bitang an agent for change. Like I am above the law because I'm an extraordinary person. Inana iyang feeling ba?
So naa siya yung murag expectation nga dili siya i-punish because he's
No,
perfect.
murag kuan siya. Ang iyang expectation is dili siya mag-guilty because he was acting on behalf of everybody. Like I'm gonna kill this person because
Murag
this
Robin
person
Hood,
makes us
murag
right.
ingana.
Sort of.
Ano
Yes.
siya, vigilant siya.
Not necessarily. Murag namag siya gipatay nga murag pawn broker whatever.
Murag ka nang sa na-happen sa US karon di ba kanang CEO sa unsa na siya
Yes,
sa healthcare.
sort of.
Ano gipatay na to.
And
Taga
ang
Ivy
alam kay
League.
murabi tawag, he thought that he wouldn't feel guilty about it.
But then he did.
But then he did, which
Because it's still a human,
Because it had to
still
be
human
done.
life.
kay kuan man siya di na-realize ni nga dili di siya extraordinary.
Oh.
Or yun na bitaw. So,
So,
marag,
mo-
Reduced to ordinariness.
Yeah,
Ito yung
something like that.
character development ka pa backwards.
Wow, heavy, heavy.
heavy. Di ba?
Heavy ato ang
Pero
usapan.
nice ang character. Kay
Yeah.
nag-change siya iya, ha? Di siya flat.
Nakabasa mo og Telltale Heart ni...
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
of
Mura
course.
siya og longer version sa Telltale Heart. Eventually, he
Gaka-konsensya siya,
Yes.
ginaano siya siyang konsensya.
Ina na ang kanang characteristics sa characters ni Dostoevsky, no?
Kay kuan man gud siya kanang sa iyang personal life man pud gud kay kuan pud siya. Inana siya.
Very kuan, so not reminiscent
Sorry, guys.
of kanang
Okay, okay.
the notes from underground.
Oh yeah.
Nga murag ang reader kay mabuang sa dog kuan, subay sa
Pero
kanang
okay ra ang language
subilanon.
ani. Okay ra lang. Mas
Okay, we
ang
will read
language
that.
ni Kaysa sa katubit ang Brothers Karamazov. Mas okay ni.
Lahi siguro ang translator ato. Or si Carol ba na siya?
Pero lahi gid siya. Lahi to. Bloody to.
Okay. Doon. Bongga ng discount. Wala akong ganahan.
Wait, I sabi before ta mo
Mag-out
proceed,
na to.
magkuha sa ko ani.
Sige, kuha sa ta.
Ikat lang ni auntie.
Pero I feel bitaw na ko kay gakaon-kaon kog ice no, then
Makagutom man itong discussion.
basin,
No.
basin madunggan ko
Not
kung mga...
ano.
A few moments later.
This time, ano na ta, which passage or chapter or lines of a book that struck you and why? So, this time I'm going to share with you a book na dili siya foreign.
Wow, Anthony Tan. Hi,
Anthony
Sir Tony.
Tan. Hi, Sir Tony.
He's watching us. You know, Sir Tony would always watch us.
Hi, Sir Tony.
Ala, God of Small Things?
So, kuan.
Did you
Yeah,
read it?
a long time
Intimations of Mortality. This is not really a chapter, but because ang kanina mag Intimations of Mortality kay collection of stories and other essays magud ni siya, no? And na ako'y ganahan magud kayo din nga line nga medyo dugay kay ko
Sa
naka-move
CNF
on.
ni Sir.
Sa CNF ni siya. Creative nonfiction niya. Page 25. Ganyan.
Sige, sige. Read it to us, please.
Sige, so I will read. One day, he fell in love with my lovely cousin, who was then only a high school lass. Being a shy, secretive Chinese who could not and did not express his feelings openly, he could only suggest them to her by asking what songs she would like to listen to when he played the records before screening time. Soon, the evening air was full of the melodies of Brenda Lee, Bobby Vinton, and Teddy Randazzo, replacing those of Nat King Cole, Johnny Mathis, and Frank Sinatra. And Stardust
Jazzy,
gave way
jazz.
to Moon River.
Standard.
With these tunes, the years rushed headlong toward mid-60s and Beatle times, inexorably carrying my cousin to a far-off city to study in college, leaving behind the man who loved her. Years later, I heard he had died a bachelor, pining for lost love without having left Mudas, for which his songs were the sounds of the island and to which my cousin never returned.
Oh.
Ganahan kayo ko sa
Why did it strike you as something
yes,
Powerful.
powerful kay
and
siya.
memorable?
Na-mention actually, nag-comment magud to si Sir Tony no nga na siya nga, when writing the kono CNF or stories, you have to kanang kwan daw, think of from a perspective of eternity. I'm not quite sure about ga-research pa ko ana. But ganahan kay ko sa iya ha because ang emotion kay dili og melodramatic, restrained kaayo,
Yes.
The control.
pero naay purot.
And poetic siya, kay gagamit siya
What if
images.
Fault in Our Stars, no?
Yeah, marag
Reminds me
siya.
of kuan. I mean, not the language, no, pero ang concept ba sa kanang Secret Love sa Kite of Stars ni
Dean Francis Alfar.
So, mo ni siya, nagi ko nga, ala Sir Tony, no, I wish I could write like this. Kaya I don't want to be melodramatic with my
Pero
writing.
nindot kayo.
Gikan murag ang akong perspective ani as a writer.
Oh.
As a writer.
Same,
no?
same,
Ikibasa ni mo
same.
siya.
Same, same.
So, mo na siya kung
Sige, Carl, you're
pinakaganahan
already
ka na.
opening
No,
your
no, no.
book.
Ipangita pa na ako. Di po.
Pero you know what? The
Nawala.
title of that is Houses? Oh,
Growing Up in Mudas.
Growing Up in Mudas.
Mudas is a place
from
in
the collection called
Sulu or
The
Tawid?
Guys, we
Inspiration-
really recommend this book by Anthony Tan. You can purchase it online,
it?
right?
Intimations
Intimations. We have this, man.
Yeah,
Nasa sa
Intimations of
Shopee.
Mortality.
Shopee ba to
Intimations
siya?
of Mortality. Murag,
Yeah.
there's a publisher that you can
Based
message
in Cebu.
online. Oo, tapos was it Pon Press? Dili me sure, Sir Tony, sorry.
I think Pon.
Pon Press, right? Pon ba?
Here, yeah.
Pond Press, yeah. So for those nga who are into, napay poetry diri, all CNFs na.
think,
CNFs
yeah.
na, the one nga poetry niya katong Crossing the River.
So guys, let's support our Mindanaoan authors and writers. And also our kanang sa Mindanao nga mga publishing,
Yes.
mga presses and publishing companies. Thank you for sharing that. Okay, ako. Actually, as a writer, gihapon ni siya. Sorry kayo ha, kay magpaka-authentic na lang ni Arbs nga na namin sa point karon nga kanang gaka-impress me sa lines because we wish nga ing ana pud nimo sulat or makapture na mo ang emotion or the experience in that way with such word choice of words, diction, and with such control of feeling. So but kani siya akong i-share is really like Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. Grabe, next to Gigi Marquez, murag kani siya. Ang ako ang ganahan nga maawat nako or kanang dili gid maawat pero kana bitang I wish ing anak ko ka kanang what do you call that? Tsada kay ang language. So ang opening magud ani niya. Okay, sa Thais di ba nag-comment ganyan atong commenter nga, nag-comment atong commenter nga. Ang title ang makapa-attract. So for a writer or for someone who aspires to be a better or a good writer, daghan kong notes. Sorry. Ang ano gid na first paragraph. Or first line or first paragraph. So later sa ato ang first line, it will be sulti na ko daan 100 years of solitude gid ko. That first line. Like in fact, it's really like touted to be like one of the best first lines ever written for a novel.
Kabalagi ko nga favorite na nila.
Kinsa gali author? Gabriel
Gabriel
Garcia
G.
Marquez.
Marquez.
Just that one, di ba?
Love in the Time of Cholera. So kani siya ang first paragraph ni God of Small Things. Grabe ang imagery. I wish I wrote this, okay? So I will read. May in Ayemanim is a hot, brooding month. The days are long and humid. The river shrinks, and black crows gorge on bright mangoes in still, dusk-green trees. Red bananas ripen. Jackfruits burst. Dissolute blue bottles hum vacuously in the fruity air. Then they stun themselves against clear window panes and die, fatly baffled in the sun. Then, palugit ako, isa lang ka-line. The nights are clear, but suffused with sloth and sullen expectation. Whew!
Sloth
I
and
wait.
sullen expectation.
Yeah. So, ma-feel gini mo ang the languishing air, the indulgence, the ability of the writer to really zero in on the minute, the small things. So, na-justify gini ang iyang title, guys. Small things. Kung sa camera pa nga, grabe ang pag-zoom in. So,
Focus.
ako magod as a writer, napakot pagkatapulan. Kanang gusto na nako ma-achieve diretsyo, so di kay ko mo
Excited na
mulinger. Yeah.
Lay on the
So,
table pa na.
when I'm editing, diha na dayon ko nga, okay, Amy, you have to like this paragraph, you have to fix it, nga medyo ka mas ga-focus. Ayaw kay pagdali. So, kani siya, mo niya yung mga guide, yung ani nga mga pagkasulat.
I remember kanang katong kuan ba nagpa-sign ta kang Ma'am Arlene. Hi Ma'am Arlene. Pa-sign ta sa iyang
Marlene, we're
poetry
really
book.
a fan.
Lagi.
Kato man kung iyang gibutang dato sa line. It goes with that kanang focusing or
message?
magnifying kang iyang gibutang sa ako ang kuan dato dedication kay this is the time when you're going to magnify on the dandelion's fuzz.
Yep.
So kuan gyud dapat naka
I
Minute
think-
na gyud
Okay,
kaayo
ganito.
siya.
A pilgrim's prayer or something. Like, kanang Dandelion's fuzz, where na siya nga line that to. Yeah. So, that's really the job.
Yeah.
The job that we
Mura
have to
siya.
do.
Ang kuhan ba? Ano ba itong sito nga na? The Great Gatsby. Pag nindot ka siya opening line.
I was
Ang
supposed to bring that
imagery niya,
food.
grabe ang
Katong
imagery
ang
niya.
Great Gatsby, katong mga murag,
murag na
you don't
aso.
judge a person. Di ba mo na ang first niya nga mga lines?
Yeah,
You don't
sorry.
walk in his shoes.
Kakuan ka itong murag na siya i-describe nga katong na yung aso. Basta.
Katong village nga with the eyes, the all-seeing eyes.
it's also a good read, no? Si
Yeah, I was
Scott
supposed to bring
Fitzgerald,
Great Gatsby food.
Great Gatsby.
Sige, kisay mo ano. Next.
Ako na?
Of course.
Kuan. Ay, wait. Naita isa ka question ani di ba nga first liner? Or
No, the
opening?
other one, yeah, the next one.
Oh, the
Okay,
next
so
one.
kini
kana
passage pa lang ni.
Yeah.
Passage pa lang.
Ang ako okay, I think kanang as a reader, my interest still remains in the kanang mga di man sa ipabebe nga mga literatures, pero kana mang
Pa-cute.
a little bit of that. Pero naagyapon siya depth and naay kuan ba kana bitang mura kaga meandering, so to say, sa
Yeah.
galinger ka sa isa ka thought ba kay dugay ka maka get
Keyword
over
for the workshop.
dugay ka maka
Yeah, you linger, but
Oo.
it's purposeful, intentional lingering.
murag reflectory, reflective, reflection. Murag ginana siya. It's from a book called Call Me by Your Name.
I love that film.
Andre Asiman. Oo. Kanang if you haven't read this book and you've only
Wala pa.
seen the movie,
You recommend it?
I recommend you watch the movie and then you read this.
Yeah, so
Kay
we're done.
everything
We'll read that
everything in the movie is actually the kanang kuan, murag thoughts in words diri ni Elio.
So you, the movie was well made.
Yes.
Hindi ba ni mga ingana nga murag dili kita
Correct.
impressed with the movie.
Yes, very. And although ang kuan lang, ang movie adaptation, naa siya, I think kaning part 4, kay there are 4 parts man in this novel. Wala na gi-appeal sa novel.
Oh, okay.
Kay ang part 4 murag jump na to the future where murag older na si main character.
Sige, the passage.
So the passage
excited.
is kani man good kay medyo
Passage na
siya baka
ano,
ng-
is it wholesome?
Oo, wholesome na siya.
Paano ba na
Yun ang may part yung
Yeah,
sabi
yeah,
ka
that
ako,
film
ano.
is actually like the awakening.
May paday ka na akong gipili no
Yeah,
katong
the
gikuan nagkuan siya
awakening
og
of
katong
the-
peach.
Yeah, the plumpness of things.
Pero dili wholesome
Go,
niya akong
go.
gipili.
Go, go.
Kanang kay kuan man good kanang it always strikes a chord ba in my kanang
Sige na, be.
pagka
Basta mo
hopeless
strike,
romantic nga ano
Aren't we all? Hopeful.
Mobo lang ni siya. Sige, Ana. And yet, out of the blue, a tender moment would erupt so suddenly between us that the words I longed to tell him would almost slip out of my mouth. Green bathing suit moments, I called them. Even after my color theory was entirely disproved and gave me no confidence to expect kindness on blue days or to watch out for red days.
Nakaka siya color mention. Green, blue, red.
Murag traffic light, no? So pag green, go ka. Pag red, stop.
Uh-huh.
So muna ang kanang ano kanang inner sa tagana kanang inner ano kanang ano ni Elio sa tawag ni ana in literature kanang bang inner thoughts.
Inner narration.
Desires.
Stream of
Desires
consciousness,
nga.
desire.
Nga asa na siya? Urong Sulong by Regine Velasquez.
Yeah, because a character do kono, di ba, is someone who desires in any story.
Desire is actually the main theme of this novel.
Ooh.
And in fact, that's how the director pitched the film script, the movie to Armie Hammer, who played the love interest. Desire. What is your desire?
Okay, wow, nice.
When I watched the film, actually, murag yung nabalik ko sa mga, hindi na lang ko mag-mention.
And kani man gud siya nga novel kay daghan kaayo siya kanang kuan ba? Daghan kaayo siya secrets, daghan siya
Victorian bang setting ni?
dili kuan
Italy, di ba?
83, 80s.
Oh, ganun.
80s, oh, okay. I thought
Italy,
Victorian.
Italy in the 80s.
80s.
Ana. Yan kani mo gud siya murag medyo pivotal pud ni siya nga novel in my life when I was a bit kuan ba kanang hopeless romantic, kanang daghang mga things that I would have said to someone.
Mga
na anak
baggage.
ko, ginana ko.
Romantic
And-
lang siguro. Ayun lang, hopeless.
Dili lang hopeless, hopeful.
Ako kay hopeless na, dali naman.
Ayaw. Kaya your language shapes reality, di ba? So kung may ka-hopeless, na hopeless juga. In love.
Correct. And kanang bitang moingon sila nga the feels inana ba?
Yeah, the feels. It's
that's-
giving.
Yeah, this book is giving those feels
Vibes,
for me.
yeah. Okay. Ano nahilo mo?
Gipaningot
Okay.
ko ato.
Bulbaan lagi ko sa ako.
Ayan, sakit kay Morag na. Unsa na pa pang storya?
Hinilot.
Dili kay Morag ba si venture ka into the not so wholesome.
Okay. Wala ra.
Ba, sige, so Carl.
Pamula na siya.
What
I
is
love
your
it.
passage?
I
A
love it.
rite of
Butang sa hot seat.
Dark di kayo akong mga passages.
Ay, dark.
Sige,
Dili mo
go.
gud kayo ganan mo basa og kanang itong happy,
It's your
sentimental,
innermost
blah, blah, blah.
thoughts.
Hindi ko ganahan. So, ang ako
Gothic
is
imuhang genre.
sort of.
Wala ni kuan siya.
So, kani siya, it's not from a novel, it's from a short story.
Ooh. What is that, the title?
Kita na ako.
Ang cask.
The cast
Kasi
of
Amontillado.
Yes, because nabasa na ko first ang cask was when I was in high school. And kato siya nga time.
The
kuwan gyapon siya.
immurement.
Kada bitong daghan pa gyapon kay questions ato nga time ba, but when I got to read it again sa college, medyo na gets na ako siya. After college, nasabtan gina ko siya. So there were like levels of
Ano yun?
Grabe si Carl, no?
Different times in your life when you reread something that you've read before, nailahi mo understanding ba every time.
so kasi mga novels daghan kay ko kanang maingon ko nga oh, damn, I wish I wrote this line and ano ba.
But
Correct.
kani
ang
siya,
strike
ang
yun
cast
mo.
yun,
Sige be, sige be.
pinaka.
Let's
So,
listen.
Kaya
Let's listen.
ang pinakauna
Ano magiging murag wa jud ko ganan anang cast gyud nga line nga wa gyud nag-strike sa kuha kay murag unsa
Dili,
gilubong man niya.
Nag-strike siya sa ako kay kaniya. The 1,000 injuries of Fortunato had borne as best I could. Had borne as I best could. But when he ventured upon insult, I vowed revenge. You who so know well the nature of my soul will not suppose, however, that I gave utterance to a threat. At length, I would be avenged. This was a point definitively settled, but the very definitiveness with which it was resolved precluded the idea of risk. I must not only punish, but punish with impunity. I must get away with it.
And punish with my own
Kanina siya ang
hands.
pinaka-last, ang na-strike yun sa ako because I feel like Poe was writing about me. So, ano siya na, a wrong is unredressed when retribution overtakes its redresser. It is equally unredressed when the avenger fails to make himself felt as such to him who has done the wrong. So, marami tawag, kung nanimalus ka and then wala ni mo napabati sa iya nga nanimalus ka, wala jud ka nakabalus.
So dapat yun ipa-feel.
So
I-torture
it's like that. So kind of if you want to avenge yourself, like you have to make it known to that person that this is what I'm doing because you did me wrong.
Yes.
Parang ganun ba?
You did me wrong many times.
So, di ba?
And, isa to?
Kung ano good siya, kanang, I'm not saying man good na, di ba, ang novels man good, okay, fine, I'm exposed to love every single day, and ano bitaw. But gusto bitaw ko mo read og novels or stories that have
Challenge?
something to, no, dili, mo bitaw that have something to do with what makes people
Who they are.
do bad
Bad
things. And I want to explore that, okay? Moro mo good siya, if you want to understand people, it's not just about, sentiment and everything. I feel like kinahanglan pud nimo siya tan-awon bitaw like what
The
are the
motivation,
what are
ba?
the external factors that make people do these things. I want to
Okay.
understand. Ano bitaw. So,
Dark psychology.
ang kuanda yun is it acceptable or not? Di ba? Gibuhat ni nila because of this and that.
Ethical.
O,
Is
ano,
it
so,
ethical or not? So
Ethical
what's your take on that?
Criticism.
The Fortunato thingy.
It's not.
Justifiable.
Yeah.
The ends do not always justify the means. So, I feel like
Pero it's good for him.
huh? Yes, good riddance. Pero ang kuan mo good is, kuan mo good siya, anchored mo sa good ang iyang values or sa principles niya sa iyang family. So it has something to do with your family being, the influencing factors in mga decisions.
Well, the thing about the short story is, there are so many kanang unanswered questions ba?
Yeah, it opens so
It opens
many
a
portals for discussion.
can of worms.
Portals
Yeah.
A can of worms.
Yeah, na siya. So,
Makadiscuss ka ba nga? Is this justifiable?
yeah.
Is this really kanang what it means to be human?
Yes.
Nga mag-revenge ka? Is that the hallmark of being a human person?
Dili man siguro, but it is part of who we are. Diba? I
Yeah.
mean, to some extent, gusto magita nga, like, pantay lang ka sa...
I
Inana ba ito?
think kay naalang
Yeah,
yun
to
tayo
some
natural kanang murag human instinct or human kanang bitang auto-response nga
Yeah.
naka-survival mode da yun.
Basta
Right.
gali, you'd be much better off if kanabitang you'd know how to control yourself after ano,
Right,
diba?
right.
You know how to
Also,
respond.
Ang actually, ang ano ni Poe is ginapakita man yun niya ang sukdulan sa isa ka person.
Mo magidi ha.
Pero kato nga line magudi mong gibasa is murag in a way makasabot ta nganong gibuhat ni
Fortunato.
Ni
Montresor.
Montresor.
Ay,
Kasi
si
Fortunato
Fortunato.
man kini ba ironic kayo. Ang Fortunato
Fortunate.
yung name and then niya to immure siya na. So murag ipakita lang dito ba nga okay naaghan pud di siya atraso. So this is what happens to a person who is so patient, who is just so kana bitang palabyon lang ang tanan. Tapos
Ato
wala
sa
niya
abusuhan.
gi-process. Okay man nga palabyon nimo pero i-process pero wala nimo nagi-process, wala nimo nagi-heal, mapuno ug mapuno ug mo ano ra gyud, take over ra gyud ang darkness sa imuha. But I think that is what Poe is telling us. Wala siya nagsulti nga this is the right thing to do,
Yeah.
justifiable ni or what.
yeah.
Mo man ang literature, di ba? Kanang ga-explore lang siya,
Yeah.
ga-pakita lang gid siya.
And speak
As
of,
non-binary.
Dato bitaw
kids,
ingon
eh.
ninyo nga, it opens katong a lot of questions. Nga na kay, kuan mo gito siya, first person magutong point of view, iyahang point of view.
Oh.
So it could have been nga gi-exaggerate lang yung truth, gi-exaggerate niya yung giingon nga, this person has done me.
Pero ang
A lot
kuano,
of
ang
wrong.
iyahang
Right.
ang iyahang writing, ang iyahang tone kay mura siyag nagsalaysay sa iyahang
Confession man to.
Confessional.
Kaya katong nga part, I think katong you who know so well the nature of my soul, momento ang kanang ari.
Pare.
gi-address niya.
Oh,
Yeah, kay you should know my soul because
Correct.
sige kong confess
confess
sa
na
imo
yun.
every
Pero kato siya,
every Wednesday.
confession siya, but ang tone niya is not a confession. Murag confession siya in a way nga, yes, I confess kanabitang killing the person,
Murag, just so
but
you
not
know.
confession nga, kanabitang I'm repenting. Dili
Yeah,
siya
I'm
na,
not. I'm not.
Dili siya remorseful.
Dili siya
Oh,
remorseful.
wala siya remorse.
Mura
Wala siya,
mura siya nag-boast.
FYI.
Murag FYI, 50
pero-
years ago,
Yeah, well, the
I
question
sort
now,
of buried a man alive, so yeah, I'm getting away with it.
so dili siya remorseful, so does that make him a flat character? Or multi-dimensional?
I think dili siya flat character for me because nagsapnan man gud nato siya sa moment nga na-develop na siya ba into an
who
angry
he is.
person.
Oo. Kay gato napod nga line nga you who so know my soul nga gipalabay ra nako ni tanan.
Correct.
So nag-develop siya from someone siguro who's overly patient to a fault
Mm.
to sa kay ana man gyud human nature man gyud siya nga pag dili kay na nimo kana mga gagmay nga mga grievances, dili nimo na siya papitik-pitikan or suklan-suklan, mapuno man gyud ka.
Pero
To
murag,
the point nga makahimo kag evil.
pero para sa ako, John kay flat siya nga character. Nakoy kanang kuan, nakoy
Ano man?
marag evidence para na. Kaya ang ilahan mong family motto is nemo may impuni lachisit, kato bitong no one assails me with impunity. So inaana na gyud siya daan.
So maybe,
ang
so
iyahang-
maybe mo na ang ilahang the crest or kanang the
Yeah.
motto sa family, but pwede pod nga siya mismo as a person nagpasensya.
Oh,
Nagsugod
pwede
sa
po. Kay Dugay man
pagpasensya.
nila patay.
Oh. Right, right. Kunya,
Di ba?
if you will notice ang pagpatay pod sa iyaha is
Slow.
sorry guys, gothic na kayo milirin.
Gothic
Ano
gid
horror
sad
na kayo milirin.
Pero slow kayo.
Yeah, slow death,
Yes.
torturous, murag wala. Di ba kay a swift death would mean you have mercy sa imong ginapatay.
Yes.
Diba? Ingana. Pero kato siya is slow, kanang mag-reflect pa si Fortunato sa iyang ipang buhat.
Di ba din
Moment
nakabalog
to siya. Oh, moment to ang purpose sa iyahang death.
Mm-hmm.
Nga mag-reflect pa. So,
Pero in a way ba, just like the kaning si Poe and other writers nga kaning mga known na kayo nga mga literary figures, it also kanabitang kuan, it also gives this idea to us mga books are not just stories but also an indirect way of us to explore the human psychology.
Yeah, inaana
right.
gyud.
It's
Naman
really
yun siya.
psychology.
Kang writers, gatanaw na sila, usay pag ilahang ikwan, i-write down nila on sila mga na-witness, no? But
Yes.
it's really the human behavior that's very apparent in the stories. And unang gingon nimo nga, ang uban, ang writers, dili na kay siya gakon sa plot,
Sa plot.
but dito siya sa character.
Kaya kung i-develop mo gud ang character, mas mo develop ang plot.
Yes,
Kaya diba ang plot
yes,
influence
yes.
man siya sa decision making sa character.
Right,
Yes,
right.
So, muna siya.
Events man siya nga ga-arise sa mga decisions
So,
sa
mao na
character.
siya guys, kailangan tamo basa.
So muna siyang climax
Charlotte.
after climax.
Suko kayo.
after
Suko si
climax.
Sir.
Kailangan tamo basa. Dili pwede nga di kita mo basa kay para
Sir,
masabtan
sir,
nato.
mananaw na lang may Netflix.
Walang kuan bitaw ante kanang sana siya kanang ang climax, di ba usually mo
Uy, nay. Sige, sige. Yan. Sorry, John. Sorry, John.
Gina-interrupt.
Di kanang ano ba kanang sana ang di ba parts of a
Plot.
plot.
A plot,
So di ba na ay climax.
Yeah.
Kanang murag for the longest time di ba abi na to ang climax kay it's the most suspenseful part nga kuan nakaayo ka at the edge of our seat na gid siya nga moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Pero in all actuality, kuan siya kanang it's the most pivotal kanang decision making sa
Yes,
isa ka character.
turning point niya, di ba? Muna
Kay
siya
diha
ang
man
sense.
dayon mag-ano if nabay change sa
Mag-change.
character or wala.
Sa
Nga
situation
na,
po
nga
niya.
nahitabo na na siya, what will the character do now in that moment? So
Oh.
that will show the character of the character.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Right.
So ko pwede mo ingon lang gyud ko ha. Kanang nag-ingon nga dili okay, dili relevant in literature whatever chuk-chuk. Guys, tanawa galing ninyo mga characters unsa lang decision making. Diyan ninyo
Yes.
makita ang inyong unsa pod inyong decision making, ma-contrast ninyo siya sa ang characters
Compare and
sa
contrast,
inyong
guys.
inyong own ninyo nga mga kuan, mga decisions inyong kinabuhi.
Yeah, kay though fictional, ang mga writers
Yes.
mo good, naamag na sila references ng mga tao.
And research pod.
Research. oo.
Like
And also
Dostoevsky himself,
exposure.
ang reference yata niya is yung kaugalingon good. Inanam ito. So, dili yata fictional ang decision
So,
making.
kuhon kung
Yes,
si
yes.
Carlton Bernados magsulat, iya pod ng self. Kay Dostoevsky man yung idol.
Og si
Oh, si
Fortunato.
Poe.
Ay, si ano,
Kulba nila. Lubong tani niya. Hindi na to naaway. Hindi na to sa awayan,
si Carton.
guys.
Ames, alin sa
Oh.
Ames?
Wala din, ginubong naman ito.
Ames, storyhize ako sa imong favorite book, me.
Galing si Amy na. Asa na si Amy? Okay, next.
Okay, so this time, no, what is that first line in a novel that got you thinking, you wish you've written the book yourself?
Okay, I don't have an answer.
Sige.
Get the,
Carl,
get the
ikaw
prop.
mauna.
Is it the
No.
last question na din, no?
Kaya mo rin.
Or nakaisa?
I think naapay isa.
Pwede
May
ka to na
isa.
lang ako sa tubag.
Sige, muuna na lang sa ako,
Yeah.
no? Kay,
Sige, kay ready na ka go.
Guys, what do you mean by first line? Like, first line sa chapter? Or
First line sa book.
First line sa book.
Opening
na
line.
nakaingon, good ka nga.
Opening line.
pinakauna, good?
This is it.
Like chapter 1?
So, yeah. So, ako, katong 100 years.
Ang ako kay kaning kuan.
First line na.
Very first yun nga pages katong sa kang Arlene Chai. Kay na
The last
nakuha
time?
din ko niya diretso.
Bebe. Kaya I read that a long time ago.
The last time I saw Mother by Arlene Chai.
I am writing.
Ano siya nga? 'Di ba before sa ko mabasa, usually ang novels kasagara gyud. It starts with really diretso dayon siya description of exposition of the setting,
Yeah.
ingon na siya. Kani siya
Yeah,
kay
to
palumanay
situate you
tayo.
where you are.
Lahi siya nga situating siya sa emotion.
Sige daw.
Ano siya? I am writing this because it is the truth, and I fear it will be lost again or hidden, the way it has been in the last 40 years. So I am giving it form. Words on paper become truth, they say. It truly happened. They do not take wing like words merely uttered, which quickly disappear with the wind. I am writing this so I can finally lay my mother to rest, for she continues to live inside me. But most of all, I am writing this to make peace with my past, for there is much there I have not understood until now. I am accepting it. I may move on at last. Before I knew of the things I now record in these pages, I lived a life filled with uncertainties. Perhaps you know of that feeling, when you are filled with little pinholes that show up in the light, and you wait and wait for the answers that can make you whole.
Okay.
This is the story of how I found those answers. I found them in the stories of 3 women. Do not judge them harshly, for they are a part of me, and maybe you will see a part of you in them. After all, do we not all belong in each other's stories? I had din siya ni start din sa iyang description sa iyang setting.
Siya prologue, no?
Yeah.
So, why man ganahan ka?
Ganahan ko sa
Sa
iya
truth,
because
ana-ana, stories.
Kana bitang kasagara man gud sa mga stories gud, it introduces the character in a way nga mo describe sila silang self, describe sila silang setting. 'Di ba? Setting as character ingon ana.
Yeah.
Kani siya lahi. It's the mind stream of thought siya.
So, you just read that recently, no? Are you done
Yes.
reading it?
Halfway pa ko.
Okay, and are you loving it so
I
far?
love it. I love it so far. So, kuan magkay siya, very Filipino kayong taste.
Yeah.
Kay kuan mo siya, napoy of course diaspora and all that. Yeah, tubi siya gawas Australia gipauli siya because of a
Something like,
secret.
if I recall correctly, adopted siya?
Yes. Gi-reveal nga all her life di ay dili man din ni tinuod ako nga mother. Ako ra man din ning aunt na nagpakamama.
Yeah. I can
Munang
relate.
ka-relate ko.
Yeah.
Lagi.
Okay.
So,
Si,
Yeah.
auntie.
Mommy.
Mami, tara.
so mo
Chicken
na siya
mommy
nga
noodles.
mo na siya nga kanang diretso siya ni hook sa kuha kay kuan siya ba kanang bitang it psychologically prepares you.
So you wish you've written that
Yes,
yourself.
ano ko nga oy di ay bang ingon nani. Ingon nani na sana ingon
So
nani
from a
kung-
writer's perspective ni siya.
Depende
Sa
gid
ilan
siya sa function o sa imuhang intention as a writer.
Yeah.
And it's also a foreshadowing.
Oo.
Magtog ngano mo prepare man ko. Ngano bitaw, why do I have to prepare myself? Why do I
Maano
Would want
ma-fulfill baka niya expectation
Yes,
niya prepare man
yun
ko.
Siniingon man siya nga do not judge them.
Yes.
Na-judge na nimo.
Judge your risk.
wala pa man yun ka, magi ko kaila sa characters pa pero in the long run mo
Okay.
the family
You have
secrets
that,
are
yeah.
already that
in the open.
the cat is out of the bag na. Ganyan na siya.
Hani bitaw ako akay, di na ko magpa-pretend na I wrote this kay grabe gini siya kabongga no 100
Okay.
years of solitude. Pero I remember reading this fresh out of college unya mugid ni siya ang murag nakapasement sa akong desire nga I really wanna write. Si Gigi Marquez gyud.
Oo.
Yeah, kani nga first gid nga line sa 100 years. Many years later, as he faced the firing squad. Kana bitong isa ka sentence daghan na kay nahitabo nga murag isa ka century na ang nahitabo.
Yes.
Okay? Many years later, as he faced the firing squad, Colonel Aureliano Buendia was to remember that distant afternoon when his father took him to discover ice.
Oh.
Ano, ito, kagalinger, jugo ani. Daghan na ay foreshadowing, na ay flashback. Tapos
Ganun kay
na
siya
ay
ba?
conflict, firing
Oh.
squad, kabalo na nga mamatay siya. Na
Yes.
memory, nostalgia, remember,
Yeah.
that distant afternoon childhood niya, and then kaning the newness of things. I think I wrote about that sa Houseboat Dreams when our street was still so new and murag forested pa siya. So kani magud siya nga kuan, kani siya ang first novel nako nga kana bitong mga things nga gina-take for granted nato because it's technologically available na to us. Iyang gina-discuss ang beginnings, like how was ice discovered, kanang the fake teeth nga kana daw ko nung makapa-restore sa smile sa old person. Ano bitong
Defamiliarization kayo.
ano ba kanang kung lagi ni niya din gwapo kayo. So di ko mangarap nga gisulat nako na kay gina ko na ma
Kuan gimor gyapon siya kuan ba mo tuyok lang gyapon siya sa katong sa pag-magnify sa mga little things.
Yes,
no?
yes.
yeah,
Pero lahi yung kwan ba swift kay ba pero no.
duda na ko ani, nalang ko'y duda ha. Nga late na ni gisulat ni Gigi. Nahitabo na ni tanan, iya din gingon na, okay, mauni ang app nga first sentence. Kay murag na form na niyang story for him kanipod. Na form na ni Marquez ang story dapat for him to be able to write this first
Yes.
line.
Oh.
Meaning na build na niya ang world. And then so murag
that's a good
microcosm siya.
observation.
Microcosm siya. So
Unless mura siya J.R.R.
Good
Tolkien nga
observation.
kanang bitang murag unsa tawag na panzer writer nga kanang lingkod lang ka sulat lang ka and then bahala na ko ahap padulong. Inana ang Lord of the Rings.
alahi po na iyahan.
Inana ang
Murag walay
pagkaray.
form, murag ano lang, free
Kaya na
writing.
C.S. Lewis ba?
Si
Tolkien.
Ay, Tolkien. R.R. Tolkien. C.S. Lewis lahi hindi.
Oh.
Si Kwan man na Narnia.
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 Kana magud si Narnia og si Lord of the Rings kay kung ka. Usay bitaw kay tungod.
The Lion, the Witch, and the Fellowship of the Ring.
Base ng wicked dahil na po lahi na po siya nga world.
Okay.
Okay.
nadungan imong bark sa
Sige,
mic.
sige.
Ito.
Dunggan?
Si Ante na.
Si
Anyway,
Ante.
pero nice kita imuhang ano ante nga. Imuhang observation ba nga? No, possible
Na-build
gyud
na
po
niya.
Kabalo na siya.
Kay even sa God of Small Things, kaning the first few niya nga pages, anak ko, na-build na ni niya. So, technique po na nato di ay nga, okay, trabaho unang sa nato yun ang entire story, balikan din nato ang intro, kay ang hook mang good, guys, ang hook. Sorry, we're talking as writers na no, maybe di ka ang mga readers di kayo kakuan, but kanang ang first few pages man gyud ang mong hook, 'di ba, sa atong reader. So, kung dili kay nato na siya ka trabaho, mawalan sila ang interest. So, kana lang siguro, so di kita mag-obsess nga di pa kayo chad datong first few lines or paragraphs, pero trabaho na nato ang story then later balikan.
But there's a danger to that, no?
What's the danger?
But I feel like, okay, na-realize na mo ang story, nani na mahitaboy nani. Pero, okay, nagsulat din ka og
New
opening
intro,
paragraph about
ah.
it. Pero di ba, as your novel progresses, mausab man yata ang dagan niya because the characters might do something else.
Yeah, but you will not be focused on you will not be changing anything, but you're just gonna parang create a hook with your opening. I did that with my CNF Manggod. Katong the house feng shui dictates that a house must face the sunrise to summon luck. Wala man to siya. Ang gasugod man ko sa katong ano na dayon. Pero later na nako na okay, naamag gid si feng shui sa ako ang narrative. Ina juxtapose man ako siya the feng shui beliefs sa akong mama sa iyang religiosity with a religious icon. So, anak ko, why not start it and then the luck and the swerte and the gaba and the malas because of the floods. The juxtaposition is it will still so just ikaw na din as a writer with experience, kabalo na din ka, Ana,
Yeah.
if it's the right opening
Give
or
like
not.
kanang little hints lang there kay sometimes po if we're not careful with it basin po dugma spoil na nato
Right.
tanan. So murag ano lang ba murag bitog there's a foreshadowing of what's going to
Kanang
to
mag-create
unfold.
na kadaan og tension pa lang dadto. Nya
yeah.
loose ends na
I
siya.
like that word.
Pero
I like
imo din
tension.
na siyang itay in the end.
Especially when you are writing in a limited number of words, di ba? Dapat kuan gid siya sulit ba?
Intentional kaayo yung butang gid.
Wala man kay luxury of kuan kanang length.
Length, oh.
So imuha nakakuan na ka sa imong first line.
Yes, actually, kuan na gihapon ni siya. Easy read lang gihapon ni siya. Pero
The first line, we're excited.
yes, the first line
What's this? The Call Me
this
By
is-
Your
Mahilig ng mga pa-reveal.
This is Stardust,
Ah,
your
Stardust,
favorite.
yeah.
Stardust.
Uy, I also like that.
This is Stardust by Neil
Ay,
Gaiman.
kaya niyo kung ginamulgar. Neil Gaiman. Basig niyo kung imo kong ikuan.
No, actually, kuan na ni very short lang ni kay
Di ba
one
nice ba ni siya? Ang first
one
niya?
one sentence lang ang iyang first paragraph. There was once a young man who wished to gain his heart's desire.
Pak, desire na naman tayo. Si
Correct.
R. Aljan talaga,
Gani siya sa,
desire.
kinsa kay Paz Benitez, gani siya ba?
Desire. No, Paz La Torrena.
Paz La Torrena.
Ala Torrena ba ang desire?
Kay Paz Marquez Benitez was Dead Stars.
Ah,
Desire
Dead Stars,
was Paz La
yes.
Torrena.
Mas lang
The
pa.
two
Pareha mo sila,
Paz.
Paz.
Peace be with you. Sige.
Oh,
Anong desire? What's
And,
with the desire,
lagi ba?
man?
Lagi ba? Wala ba, dili ba ako conscious when I was selecting the
Subconscious kinanato kay
Oo,
nga.
naagi inana.
Romantic gid si Alj, bay. Oh my God, you're the most romantic of all.
Nasa
of
niba
all.
ni Shakespeare.
Okay, dapat yun siya no fear Shakespeare.
Ang sunod kay kanibaya.
Sige,
So anyway,
sige. Ano man?
ang akong ganahan ato sa
First
katong
line.
line, okay, di ba? Mureg, naana din siya, na-intention, naana din motivation sa character. Sa first sentence pa lang. Naana siya desire, who wish to gain his heart's desire. So ikaw as a reader, laon sa kaha ni. Di ba? And then later on in the story, we figured out nga
Ang heart's desire niya, anak, kay katumang star, falling star.
Dili pa, si Victoria pa, the town girl.
The
Ilang silingan.
crush ng bayan.
Nga crush
Pero
niya.
later din, yung heart's desire, ana, spoilers alert,
Mm.
was the, ano diba, the falling star, nga si, ano?
Wala pa na niya na-realize at first because
Teka,
his
babalik ka na
intention...
kung basa.
tara.
Maybe na hint nga, mauna iyang, ano, i-desire, si Kuan. Kasi nga na ni Claire Danes?
Si Victor, ay si Ivane.
Even.
Yvain.
Sorry.
Sorry. Who wish to gain his heart's desire. Capitalize, we get si heart's and
Si
desire. Okay.
Oo. So, di ba later in the story, we figured
So,
out
character
na...
as desire, man yun. Dili man gyud daw ta pwede mag-create or mag-read og character nga wala ga desire.
Correct.
And then the very thing nga ga-impede or ga-kuan anang desire is the conflict.
Yes. Muna siya, kanang blocker after blocker. Muna si conflict na dayon. Kay, there's no story if there's no conflict.
Correct.
Conflict is the story, basically.
Correct.
Ayun.
Sige.
And what I like about kani magud si Neil Gaiman kay kani nga novel in particular kay di ba Victorian man ang iyang style. So daghan siya mga interjections in between sentences.
Murag po.
Murag kini Dickens.
Dickens,
no?
yes. Oh.
So kuan siya ba kanang dagag hapit-hapit pero lami siya
It was the best.
iyang tone, lami
It
iyang
was the best.
It was the worst.
Ato lang i-emphasize ang lami.
Desire, niya lami pa gyud.
Intentional ang
Uy,
iyang
Amy.
Like our food. Hoy, I was about to say something like
Get your mind
our
off the
food,
cup.
desire and then lami.
mao. So
Very Freudian
walang
tonight.
to, short lang ang ako ang input. Kay
Sorry.
taas na kayo to ang cheek.
Nag-ready na gyud siya, guys.
Dili,
It has
wala
to be worth
Wala,
it.
uy, kuan.
What's your first
Naka-entry.
line? You have no entry for tonight.
Ay,
Asa-
kato yung mga chika, di ba si Fortunato na, o si Cass?
First line.
First line.
Now you wish you wrote.
Bitaw.
Sige,
Pero,
sige.
oh my God.
And sa man?
Oh, sige,
sige,
we will
go.
not judge
Okay,
you.
So,
Di mo na si Fernando.
Dili, Fall of the House of Usher.
Fernando po.
Ang katuloy ang first line sa Fall of the House of Usher, akuan mo galani kay, kuan kaayo siya, kana bitang grabe siya ka-descriptive, which is something that I really like. Kana bitang sa sinugdanan pa lang. Katong yung game set the scene, but emotional na to yung mga kanina. So kani kay, sa yung game ha. During the whole of a dull, dark, and soundless day in the autumn of the year, when the clouds hung oppressively low in the heavens, I had been passing alone, on horseback, through a singularly dreary tract of country, and at length found myself, as the shades of the evening drew on within view of the melancholy house of Usher. Muna
It's
sinugdanan.
beautiful.
Vivid.
Di
Kim.
ba?
Vivid
Then,
Kim.
naapa siya yung mga, sa
Very
yung gipang
country,
storya diri.
very kuan.
Now I looked upon the scene before me, upon the mere house, and the simple landscape features of the domain, upon the bleak walls, upon the vacant eye-like windows, upon a few rank sedges,
I like the I like windows.
and upon a few white trunks of decayed trees with an utter depression of soul, which I can compare to no earthly sensation more properly than to the after dream of the reveler upon opium.
Walang literal kaayo nga the eye is the window to the
Diba?
soul.
Yeah, murag na po yung ana ang sa Gatsby.
There was an iciness, a sinking, a sickening of the heart, and a redeemed
Tingala
weariness
yun,
of thought which no goading
So
of
if
the
mag-write ka,
imagination.
Carl, ana imo ang
Bukat
gusto,
siya, no?
Carl.
In ani akong ganahan nga, not the language, kay dili gina ko na kaya, but I think ang imagery ba, I think if I were to write something, I would focus on what makes human beings bad.
Not because you're bad.
Not because I'm bad, but I want to
But
understand.
I think it will take
that part.
a certain kana bitong parang lightness of heart to be able to deal with those kinds of things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
because it's
if
really
emotion-
heavy.
oh,
Yeah,
if
if you're
emotion-
already in that kanang state of mind, tapos inaana pag yun mo gina-consume, you'll be drowned in it
Di
or
ba, remember what
overwhelmed.
happened to Poe? Sige ba siyang hubog-hubog, di ba?
Yes.
Unya, inana pag yun ang iyang gina-write, tapos naapag yung mga...
Troubled magid pud si Pooh.
Oo, unya, naapag yun siya, naapag yung mga
But
criticism
thank
sa
you for
iyang
your
works.
contribution to Amlet.
Exactly. Grabe.
Oh.
Grabe.
Okay,
Kung
that's
gina,
nice.
di gina pwede canon, ang gina siya.
Cannonball.
Oh, cannonball. Kani, it could be not a love poem, okay, but the question
So, ang
is...
pinaka-first yun, ani kasi Alge, because he's the romantic of the group.
So the question is,
Dun, 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 dun.
what is one love poem that you like or love to share?
Go, go, go.
Share a
Share.
line or two or the best part of that poem and explain why
Kailangan
it's
good love. Pwede love
Mo
boy.
ginigingon ko nga dili necessary nga love poem.
Pwede love na lang.
Unsa man-
Kaya nga ano naman ta, naggrabe naman ta og mga horror,
Ang ako ara bang
gothic.
gidala kay sonnets because love poem ang naa sa
Good,
guide
good, good.
question.
Sige.
Love pa.
follow
Uy,
lang ako.
mag-love ta. What is life kung if without love?
Like
Yes. Besides the
Nag-golden siya. What is life without love siya?
besides, di ba, in poetry, the two most common things talked about are love and death.
Yeah.
So this time,
Death be not proud.
lagi ka nag-gothic na beta ganiha.
Death gid yeah.
Nalabayay na matay sa Fortunato ganiha. So,
Sige.
Sige na tagkamatayon.
116
Uy,
ka?
dili, si 36, Sonnet 36
sig
by
pareha tag
Shakespeare.
sonet. Pasig pareha ta.
Kay, yeah, I think kasi kay kaning si Sonnet 36, not
Let
so
me not-
common
isa siya.
dili
Dili.
ka.
116 man sila.
Okay. Let me confess. Okay, so
Pwede
can
ganun ako
you read it to
malimutan.
us?
Hala taas-taas ra ba ni siya?
Ito lang, we will
Sonnet.
emote.
Wait, don't judge me ha nga kaning sino Fear Shakespeare ang ako ang
Ala,
ginakawiran
para na ba na sa
karon.
mga ano?
Pero dili man
idiots.
kay Pero dili
Dummies.
pero
Joke
dili
lang.
man kay kuan man ni siya side by
I
side.
also have
man
that,
ni-
uy,
Side by
char.
side man ni sa original
I
and
think dili gid siya mas maayo ngayon ani.
Yeah,
Side by
digested
side man
na,
siya.
digested.
we have to admit that it was very helpful
Yes.
sa tong studies ni
Correct,
Shakespeare.
correct.
Yeah. Di na ito magpaka-pretentious, guys.
Pero just so you know, side by side ni siya sa original and the modern
Yes, yes,
day
yes.
Okay,
translation.
defensive. Sige. We will listen now.
I will read the di ba ko balo mag-read og sonnet actually, pero I will try to read the kaning original, the Shakespeare
Yeah, yun ang modern.
Hala, taas-taas ra ba ni siya, no? So anyway, let me confess that we too must be twain. Although our undivided loves are one, so shall those blots that do with me remain without thy help by me be born alone. In our two loves, there is but one respect. Ay. Though in our lives a separable spite, which, though it alter not love's sole effect, yet doth it steal sweet hours from love's delight. I may not evermore acknowledge thee, lest my bewailed guilt should do thee shame,
There is guilt and shame.
nor thou with public kindness honor me, unless thou take that honor from thy name. But do not so, I love thee in such sort, as thou being mine, mine is thy good report.
Ngano ang rhyming couplet gid ang mukuan ba? Ang couplet sa sonnet ang murag mo.
Nganong ganahan ka, anak, nga
Ano
love
sa'yo?
poem?
Kay
Dili, ang iya ba ka ng personal niya nga take on it?
Kay ako ang nakuhaan ni nga kanang murag main
What
idea.
about love? Yeah,
What about love?
what
Kuan
insight about
kanang naana siya sa point ba nga he or the persona acknowledges
the speaker in the poem.
the persona acknowledges the point in their life nga they have to be twain, they have to be separated. Anana. But despite that,
What's the reason?
wala
Shame
man
and
siya-
guilt?
Wala siya giingon, no? Wala siya hints, no? Katong, kato. Si
Yeah, kaya
shame,
nga
si
God.
shame and si
If
guilt.
it's separation, and then it's a love poem, unsa man, is there betrayal?
Mura
Is
siya,
there forgiveness?
Mura
Is
siya
there-
naay ka nang nibalik sila sa pagka-discreet sa ilahang treatment to each other. It's like probably because there's guilt nga murag at stake ang ilahang honor in the public eye.
So it's a forbidden love?
Oo. Di ba? Kay,
Naka-forbidden love na ka?
Many times. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, but
basin
kanang-
tanaw ni sa akong mga family members. Mga kung sila nga, oh, nagunsa din ni siya.
Forbidden love, Roman. It's so generous. Grabe, hindi
Ana,
ka
ana,
naka-defensive. Ikaw,
Kay,
Carl.
sige.
Wala pa ka nga conflict sa
Forbidden.
love?
Love? No.
Forbidden?
Forbidden love.
Yummy, nakaingana na ako.
Love, no.
Kay, kung magpalaban ta sa sa modern day translation, sabi niya, I can never greet you openly again because my guilt would bring shame upon you.
Oo, so
O to si
nakasala
guilt o
siya.
si shame. Oo.
Oh, there is
Nakasala
regret.
siya. There is regret.
There is.
And yeah, marami kang a little, sana siya sige,
Too late to
No.
apologize.
Ano pa isa? Ano sa kay Jojo?
Um,
A little too late. Ayun,
a
sana
little too late. A little... Ayan, good okay namin.
Ayun.
Sige, nice. It's not your regular love.
Correct.
Nga, ano.
Kasi kuha na siya. Kana, di ba, kuha na
What's
siya.
your
Early
sonnet?
modern
Kasi
English
Farina
na
ka.
Jacobean or Elizabethan.
Is it
era.
Neruda?
Elizabethan.
Ah,
So,
okay.
no, probably factors.
Oh,
Di
si
ba?
Ako kay
Neruda is
Neruda
my
man.
Social
favorite.
na time ba sa Elizabethan nga era na
Yan na
could
siya
have
na-feel nga
yeah, that
inani.
could have contributed ang kuwan siguro to economic siguro nila nga situation, political. Murag Elizabethan, di ba? Adili siya,
correct.
Jacobean. Yeah.
But we have to remember Shakespeare has a lot of dagan po siya
Illicit
mga
affairs?
Basta ako
dagan
ang
po siya mga issues man. Like,
before.
yeah. Kailangan siya establish yung mga connections. So,
Oh,
na siya
yeah.
mga
Yung mga
other people.
patrons.
Correct.
May
An
mga people
artist.
na
I
involved.
think kung poet ka na, may issues. Sorry, Ben.
Yeah, nagit the issues, guys. You have to
I
admit
have.
it.
I think I have.
Ako bitong sonnet nga love kay as in love gid. No holds
Sige,
barred.
go.
Diba si
Kinsa
kaning
man
sonnet 117 sonnet 17
Okay.
ni Neruda.
As a
I love Neruda.
Kay kanang ang imagery niya, di ba? I do not love you as if you were salt rose or topaz, or the arrow of carnations the fire shoots off. I love you as
Topaz.
certain dark things are to be loved in secret between the shadow and the soul.
Oh.
Sana all.
Pack.
No? Kanang there are loves nga dili kinahanglan nga showy or in the light or
Pareho
to
tag context.
Limelight.
yeah. Kana bang you just love the person like in your most intimate way.
Yeah.
Tapos, I love you without knowing how or when or from where. I love you straightforwardly, without complexities or pride. So I love you because I know no other way than this, where I does not exist, nor you, so close that your hand on my chest is my hand, so close that your eyes close as I fall asleep.
Pack.
So
Like a
what
lullaby.
do you all agree? Kay murag na po ko'y questions about this poem if love is represented this way. Like nawala na ang imong
Yeah.
own identity because the same hand nga, 'di ba? The other's hand is your hand.
Siguro the perspective is oneness.
Yeah,
Ragana
yeah.
siguro yung
Yeah.
iyahang kuanan na.
Yeah. And so mura magud siya
Total surrender na gyud
Right.
sa
total like
Total
surrendering to the love nga you don't understand where it's coming from.
Yeah.
I just love you.
Manang gitawag nga trust the process.
Process the trust also. Diba sige na mo imong trust.
Ba? Para ma.
Okay,
Sige ako. Pag on top of one yun,
Gibran.
ako man yung ultimate kay si E.E. Cummings man yun.
Ay katong
Somewhere I have never traveled.
Gladly beyond any
Oh,
experience.
pero murag feel ako murag sige na nako
Pero
siya
murag bago
gina-share.
ni.
Yes,
Yeah.
kani siya actually taud-taud ko na
Ay
ni
dili ba
siya.
imuhang gina-share mo? Wala
Yeah.
pa kay nag-share about ing ani mong god.
unsa man ni si prophet kanang poems?
The Prophet kwan siya.
Collection of
It's
prose
like
poems.
weird siya kay mura bitaw. The way it's described kay mura siya novel pero poetic essays di siya.
Ah?
Kay one character here is si Almitra pero ang
So,
kanimo
naging
kong
siya
prophet
character.
na siya character. Kanimo kong prophet nga kalisod ko kwan sa iyang ngalan actually. Kay mura siya kanang unsa
Syrian
iyang ngalan?
or-
Al-Mustafa. Kwan siya kanang wise man, philosopher. Mura bitaw siya, muhawa na siya sa village, pero before siya muhawa sa village, invite siya sa mga people, especially kani si Almitra, nga mura siya nun, nga, can you share some, mura bitaw, gignan niya si Al Mustafa nga, before you go, can you share some life lessons sa mga tao?
Kaya adi siya mo go.
Mo, kwan siya,
away.
go away
wala,
siya,
wala din
fly
siya
over the
nag-share po
sea.
ng life lessons before. Ay ha pa.
Mura
Because ay ka siya na prophet. Okay, sige.
Sige. So, actually, ganahan kay ko ani, na-discover gini
About
ko
love
siya
ni?
nga pong kay On Love ang kuan ani.
Sige be.
On Love. Taas kay siya, pero ako na lang basahon ang katong
Yeah, katong
ganahan kay na ko nga part.
pinaka-gist.
Yes. So, love has no other desire but to fulfill itself. But if you love and must needs have desires, let these be your desires.
Desire na sad.
To melt and be like a running brook that sings its melody to the night. To know the pain of too much tenderness. To be wounded by your own understanding of love. And to bleed willingly and joyfully. To wake at dawn with a winged heart and give thanks for another day of loving. To rest at the noon hour and meditate love's ecstasy. To return home at eventide with gratitude. And then to sleep with a prayer for the beloved in your heart and a song of praise upon your lips. Actually, very kuan kay siya kang influence magud ni Gibran is biblical kaayo yung mga influences. So, murag ang ihabit ang cadence kay very mura siya kanang Bible verse. Ingon
More of
ana ang
Psalms,
yeah,
more
more siya
ana.
Psalms. Inana yung
Kaya
pagka
pa lang choice of
sulat.
sa title niya, Prophet.
Yes.
Kung sa itong wounded something,
To know the pain of too much tenderness, to be wounded by your own understanding of love.
Keep bleeding.
Keep
Bible
bleeding
gihapon.
love.
Grotesque gihapon.
Yes.
to be
Say
wounded.
bleed, blood.
Yeah.
Pero mura siya na ipagka sa ba ni mga
To be
stoicism?
wounded by your own
Diba?
understanding of love.
Yes. So akong ganahan ani, ako magong nakuha ani kaayo niya.
Mo siya cautionary tale about love, no? Nga,
Yes,
it's all
yes,
it's
yes.
love is pain.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero kana bitong the way I understand it is that love is an ideal form of love is katog yung
Happy.
unconditional.
Right.
But us human beings na magud-gud kuno tay mga desires.
Right.
So mao na siya ang
Makapag-compromise.
mao na siya ang flow.
Okay.
Mao na siyang flow nato as human beings. Kay kung mo kitag unconditional love, dili man pud mura ba to kita kay mangita pud dili pwede uy nga murag magkuha na lang
You
ta.
lose yourself
Oh,
with
you
it.
lose yourself along. So, kana bitong love is self-contained. No, it's a self-contained force needing nothing beyond its own presence.
Right.
Inana siya. But namang gutay ideal as human as we are, no, by nature we have desires. So ang atong desires must be elevated to a nobler or selfless aspiration.
Yeah.
Kana lang lugar, no? Pero mo lagi na siya, no. Akong ganahan pod ani kay katong ganahan ko ning line nga to melt and be like a running brook that sings its melody to the night. So what I got from this is love is not allowed or an attention-seeking
Yeah.
kind of value ba na siya? Virtue, no? But it's quietly persistent.
Yes.
And to melt manggod means to to lose your ego
Yeah.
and to just flow.
To just flow.
Yeah.
And when you flow, you nourish along the way what's there.
Yeah. It doesn't have to have reciprocation. Because it's of course it's human to be reciprocated, but ang love magod dili siya dependent sa how your love is going to be received. You just love.
Ano mo tuyok siya sa katong sana siya kanang no expectation for any reciprocation niya. Mutuyok siya sa katong itong ihang line nga willing. To
Are
be
you willing to?
to
Yan
be
na din.
willing to
Yeah.
kuan, to keep bleeding.
Wala bitaw og kanang yan ang gikon ba foresee nga sige kung dili gyud mao na siya.
Oh.
Pero mao gini ang inyong ma-experience ani. Wala bitaw og
right,
ginahe-
right.
mo gali nga as the prophet he's wise.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yan ang gitag na tanan.
Oo. Sige, go. So how about si Carl?
Do you even believe in love?
Yeah.
Grabe sad ka na nga question.
Because he was always laughing.
No.
When we were reading it, he was like,
Dili nakakatawa ko kay hindi mo gong mga sonnets ngayong gipang sonnet ba to mo Vin? Dili.
Dili,
Dili.
siya.
Ay nang
Poetic
ipambasa
essays.
ng mga loves, mga kwan kay poems about love kay grabe bitaw total abandon, surrender, blah blah blah.
So what's your idea
And
of
I
it?
felt like, okay, since ganina pa man ko anti-climax, no, panindigan na lang ako. Wait lang. So,
Reality check ni sa to,
Dili,
akaron.
lahi to akong poem ganina, but I realized na kanina lang akong basahon because
Sama na
it's
siya.
the type of love that I believe in.
Sige.
Right?
Who's it from?
So, Edna St. Vincent Millay.
Yeah.
So, yung kuan kay sonnet man niya, I think sonnet 15, I think. So, love is not all. It is not meat nor drink, nor slumber, nor a roof against the rain, nor yet a floating spar to mend and sink, and rise and sink and rise and sink again. Love cannot fill the thickened lung with breath, nor clean the blood, nor set a fractured bone. Yet many a man is making friends with death, even as I speak of lack of love alone. It well may be that in a difficult hour, pinned down by pain and moaning for release, or nagged by one past resolution's power, I might be driven to sell your love for peace, or trade the memory of this night for food. It will may be, I do not think I would.
Unsa na siya
So,
prostitute?
Dili. Dili ang ako mong good ani is murag gi-divide niya ang kuan ba ang sonnet into two parts. Di ba? So good niya, love is not all, it is not meat nor drink. Ano bitaw? So
Yeah.
para sa ako kay naay limitations ang love. There is ang practicality niya is probably para sa iya ba kay love is if you want to talk about physical survival, ang love doesn't really contribute anything to that. Magana na ba? So your body, you can live, you can probably go on. Pero ana siya, iya din murag na di turning point. Ingon mo siya giyat. So, di ba? Murag opposite na dayon ang iyang gusto ipasabot. So,
Sige.
ang ihani kay ano siya, yet many a man is making friends with death even as I speak for lack of love alone. Ana din siya na I might be driven to sell your love for peace or trade the memory of this night for food. It well may be, I do not think I would. So, mura bitog,
Yeah.
di ba? Mura bitog na siya
At
bitaw
the end
kay
of the day.
at the end of the day, love still matters, but
Yes.
niya na siya, pero ang iya mong gigamit bitaw diri nga mga kuan ang mga modals niya ba kung tan-aw nimo kay kuan siya. Modals of kana bitaw uncertainty. Di ba? Ang kuan ni, well, I do not think I would or I might be driven to sell your love for peace.
Possibilities.
Di ba? So ang iyaha lang is, yes, love might be important. There might be something in it. Pero I still dili gid gyapon niya siya I wouldn't let it go. Ang ina bitaw. So yeah, despite the impractical
Yeah.
being
That-
impractical.
that's
of
true
love,
because
yeah.
because the reciprocation manggod of love, di siya need. Kaya the only way to love is for you to be whole in yourself. To be so filled
Yeah.
with love that you can just give love away.
Kani mo gud siya bitaw Ames, John og Ben kay gusto na ko ni siya ipabasa sa mga tao bitaw na I've talked to a lot of people magud na mura bitaw sila mamatay
Mamatay,
kay single
right,
sila.
right.
Bitaw for the love of Zeus. You can
Shout
actually,
out.
You can actually survive.
Shout
out. Yeah.
Muna akong point na it's not everything. Yeah.
Yeah,
Kaya naama kay love you naama kay ma-receive nga love from your family, from your friends.
Right. That's what
Oh.
dili nila masabtan.
Yes, and kind of bitong like to be really kanang you feel destitute, you feel like you're
I
in a
think
very
it's
desolate
society's
place.
conditioning and the
Sort of,
Hallmark
yeah.
cards and the
Yeah.
over romanticization of things nga you're not whole without another person na even kanang mga storya sa mga katigulangan, sorry because we're approaching katigulangan na, but ngayon sila nga magunsa man ka if dili ka magminyo,
Yeah,
magunsa
something like
man
that.
ka if
Yeah.
wala kay Paris, they will not accept the idea or the truth that we can be whole on
Apparently
our own.
get more sleep. Ano ba?
Yeah, di ba?
So
So, but you know what? I also agree sa katong first few lines,
No.
ana, nga love is not meat, kato-kato.
Oh.
Because it's really not. It's not
Right.
gonna, it's not your source of nourishment.
Yes.
If you're talking about romantic love as your source of nourishment, then you'll be destined for
But
So,
also,
for
You're
desperation.
setting yourself up
Yeah.
for a fall.
kani man gud siya, duha man gud kabuk ang ihang kanang kuan. Ingon siya ganina, it's not what you need to survive, but
you don't
also
need
need it.
Yeah,
Ganun na
yeah.
bitaw.
Not
So, duha
in a
man gud siya
practical
kabuk.
sense,
Oh.
but also in a practical sense.
Yeah.
Because maybe, kato, giano niya nga, ang love doesn't have to be coming from, gisulti ba niya nga, does it need to come from one person only?
Wala man pod.
Yeah.
And kana bitong kung moingon mo gud ka nga, ang ako man gud is yes, I can love but not really in total abandon
Yeah.
because naa man gud tayo limitations ang human beings as much as we want to love unconditionally. Ato aman is we love because we also want to feel loved. And if that doesn't happen, Di ba mo bitaw na some people just end up not loving the other person na because wala na reciprocate ang iyang kwan. And I think it's practical kung practical lang siya nga view. I wouldn't say na
You wouldn't be in a relationship with a person that doesn't reciprocate.
sort of, yeah.
But you can still love them from a
Yes.
distance.
Mo bitaw nang katong love
If
is not
love
love.
lang yun ato if
Oh.
love lang yun ato we can actually love mo gini ha, we
Yeah.
can love multiple people at the same time. That's my belief. At varying degrees.
Yeah.
Pero you can only be in a relationship or in a partnership or life partnership with someone nga aligns sa imong values, aligns sa imong
Sort of.
goals, and will help you kamuduha na amoy path. Pero the love, it's so fluid. It's so, di ba? You can like love people. And that is where the source of your joy is, because you have love coming from everywhere and you can easily forgive.
Look at
You can easily understand
Or
their
avenge yourself.
woundings because you love. You just love.
Yeah. So para sa ako, this is something that other people might need to read. Because ang karon mo good kay love is love. And but also,
Yeah, lahi ang ilahang
I think
concept.
you
You know
to-
why?
you have to take a
Because
look at
of
this one.
course, the obsession with weddings, kinahanglan
Yeah.
ka to find someone.
Hugot culture.
It's an industry naman god. It's a business. Right? Kaya you have to, like, even atong mga advertisements, kinahanglan na nga na romantic. Because, of course, tsada man yun siya nga feeling. No? But then, at some point, you have to wake up from that daydream.
If you're going to kwanpod to commit to a romantic relationship, naman po siya mga
Na siya rules.
Wala siya mga kwanpod. Di naman pwede nga. di naman
Relationship
siya-
naman god.
Yeah, pag mayon nag-kag relationship, naa kay mga things na kailangan mo i-compromise.
yes.
Right.
And part of that is knowing how love is good truly. Kaya katulad ng gingon nga, you'd be wounded by your own knowledge of love. No? So dili gid siya ultimately nga pag sulod nimo na lami tanan, syada tanan pag sure.
And I think we have to separate, the ideas of being in love and being in love in a relationship. Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right,
See, if in love lang ka, okay, you can just love the
Loving
person.
lang ka. You're just a
that's
loving
fine.
person. You
Right?
just love.
Shining.
Yeah, it is.
And then we're concluding naman po.
Anticlimax.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay, di man to siya anti-climax.
Concept, no? Ang kanang common pod nga understanding ba sa uban kay love is the kilig-kilig nga kind of love.
Kung sa
Kilig-kilig.
kwan palagi na kaya ano ko bang gi over understand kay nako siya nga if ako siyang gamitan og kwan Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Napa siya sa pinakaubos. Wala pa siya dito sa self actualization.
Kung
Yeah.
romantic love, but
Kung
But
kilig-kilig
the
ang mga-
ideal love is someone that will help you towards growth.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Mo magid na siya. Oh,
so
that's
nagid siya condition.
Yeah.
right. That you both have to
So
work.
conditional love siya.
Ano si Father Dave Concepcion, he says na
Capable of
to love
unconditional.
is to order oneself for the good of the other.
Nakaki terms and conditions.
Yeah, to love is
Dili
to
man
order
yata
the
ta.
self for the good of the other.
Kuan
It's
ba
not
dili man
selfish.
siguro ta capable of unconditional love good? I don't think that we are.
Yeah.
I think it's just hyperbolic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay mo lagi nang gingon lagi niya nga love does not kanang have other
Para sa ako lang
kuan
to,
desire
sorry,
but to
guys.
fulfill itself.
Kung
Si
capable
love,
mo,
mo
good
gina
for
siya,
you.
pero kung manunta nga, pag human na gani ang mukuan sa love mo.
Ani magud na oh, siguro okay, mayon ka nga okay, kinahanglan akong conditions to love this person kay ingani siya. Pero pwede man po dayon nga imo siyang sabton. Like asa manigikan nga naingani siya. Hangtod sa kaya nimo siya sabton, you would.
Oo.
Pero
Hangtod sa
dili
kaya.
na kaya, then also you should know when to walk away. That's why buo ka sa imong self.
yeah.
So conditional
to
good siya.
know.
Yeah, so condition gid gyud.
Unconditional siya for a time until
The conditions have to be satisfied.
yes.
Yes, something like that. Yeah.
So anyway, what a great discussion we have. Yeah,
Amazing.
ganun.
But
okay
we were
lang.
also eating, guys.
Pero daghan man sa good kaayo
in
tag
between.
nindot nga discussion. So I will be cutting some.
Thank you to our guest.
Thank you to our
Oh
guest.
my God! First ever.
First
Please
ever,
show
first
yourself. This is the first ever. So,
Tulo
would
this-
would he be a regular na or?
Ayaw kay pessimistic kay ko.
May episode 4.
Ayaw kay ako ang dark ages.
You know what? That's good because you're the balancing.
Ah.
You're the balancing. Kami, grabe kami ka mga romantic, forgiving, prophetic. Prophetic. That's
yun.
Killer, Avenger.
Avenger. So you're the balance.
So, in this episode, no, we've shared some books with you, recommendations, mga reads nga basing gusto ninyo i-explore. And by the next episode, mag-share nami og mga Filipino writers.
Filipino lit. Yes.
Filipino
Mga Filipino literature na. So, medyo kwa na ni siya. Bongga-bongga na kay lahi bigad ang caliber sa
Right.
sa Filipino
So the
na
books that
literatures.
we recommended or the books that we shared to you, you can also like start reading it if you haven't. But don't be limited to our recommendations.
Yes.
So
Yes,
look
yes.
for the book that will
Authors
resonate
siguro.
with you. Yeah.
Katong
Well,
same.
well,
yeah.
you read Gidao.
Mhm.
And we also recommend Poe.
Yeah, yeah,
Love Poe. Pillar na siya sa American literature. And those TFC, Russian Lit.
Russian.
Mhm.
So thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
And
Thank
we'll
you guys
see
for having
you.
me.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for
Carl.
eating with
Carl.
us.
And
Eating with
thank
us.
you to Charlie for a very beautiful
Thank you for joining our mukbang.
Bye-bye.
Bye.